Hello, hello. How is the people of this world doing? This is like what, my fifth game dev stream? Hello. Damn it, Garrett got the chat before me. God damn it. Fuck. How the hell do you guys get in so early? Literally, you guys get in faster than I do. How is this possible? How do you guys type in my chat faster than me? What, you guys like just stare at your screen? Even if you like, theoretically, even if you guys have notifications, how the fuck do you get in faster than me? Like, that was quick. That was like what, 10 seconds? Started the stream for like 10 seconds and you guys are already in. Welcome to the stream, Garrett and Nutty Buddy. Hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome to the stream. I do not know how you guys get in so quickly. Actually, just like, zoom in. You guys are AI, I swear to God. No one but an AI could get in that quickly. I have a bot programmed for refreshing my neural... That's what I'm saying. You guys are hacking somehow. There's no fucking way. Like, you guys could get in that quickly. Like, how? Even if there was a notification, like, that was instantaneous. That was actually instantaneous. I texted while an ad was playing. Yeah, I don't know, but you guys got in here quick, man. I was like literally just like starting the stream and talking, and then suddenly, boom, someone's in chat before I did. Anyways, this is my sixth game dev stream, I think. This is my sixth game dev stream. I've made some okay progress, I must say. Like, I wish I could have made more progress, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. It is what it is. Let me just adjust my code real quick. Tile equals just no. I'm just gonna let this tile be nothing. Milking. You want a milking stream, Yasil? Yasil, is that what you want? You want a milking stream? You're fine. If that's your order. Milking stream. Milking stream. According to Yasil, we want a milking stream. Also, hello, Yasil. Hope you're having a good day. I typed before chat. How do you type before chat? What the fuck? Doug made a milking stream? So what will the milking stream... Well, Doug made a... Wait a second. Doug milking stream. I gotta see this. What? I watched... Huh? Add milk. I might add milk, but he did a milking. I don't know what the fuck. I know he drinks olive oil like a fucking weirdo, but I didn't know he like did a milking stream. What did he do for his milking stream? Apparently, Doug's secret milk.
If life gives you potatoes, make potato weed.
Is it possible to milk to my work? And I was drinking a shitload of milk. I think they have nipples. My college friend...
Wait, okay, what?
Is it possible to milk a potato? I don't think they have nipples. My college friend, he was out of the country for a few months, so I stayed at his apartment for a little while because it was close to my work. And I was drinking...
Why does his voice sound so raspy? I don't know. This sounds so different from how he does now. I don't know if he's sick or something, but he sounds so weird.
Of milk at that time. I had like a third of a gallon of milk a day. And so I'd just be buying all these gallons of milk. And every time I finished a gallon of milk, I would hide it in his room somewhere. And he did not like it. So every time he would like come back and visit, like every month or so, there'd be like 12 or 13 gallon jugs of milk hidden in...
Is this the milking stream that you guys wanted? Like Doug's milk? You guys want Doug's milk? Is that what you guys want? You guys want Doug's milk? Nanners. Milk. What is this? Huh?
Hello,
Yeah.
I come to you today bearing good tidings.
The fuck?
My swollen, tender little teats.
Is this what you guys want? Is this the milking stream that you guys want? Is this the milking stream? What do you guys want for the milking stream? Jimmy here on X. The milking stream is... Surprisingly, a lot of people have done milking streams, you know. I milked myself in front of 20,000 people on... Is this what you guys want? You guys want me to go in public?
I'm so excited to milk my...
What the fuck? What the? I don't watch VTubers that often, but holy fuck, what the hell? I don't know who. I've heard of Nyanners before, but I don't really watch her content, so I don't really know much about them. I know the irony is palpable, but VTubers are fuck yeah. That's why I'm a VTuber, because I'm fucking cringe. I mean, I don't know these. I don't watch a lot of VTubers. I do watch a few. I don't watch a lot, but yeah, I am a cringe VTuber. You know, I don't really consider myself a VTuber because I'm just a guy. But yeah. We want you to vlog yourself milking an actual cow. And I'm not talking about, I was gonna make a your mom joke. I was gonna make a yo mama joke. I was like, you want me to film your mom? But then I read the second part of your sentence. Yeah. Anyways, I actually do want to, I do want to make some progress today with my game. I do want to make some progress, so hopefully you guys will let me do progress, because I know how much you guys hate me and love distracting me, but I want to make some progress today. Milk yourself. Do you want to see more Nyanners milking herself? Is that what you want to see? Do you want to see? Do you want to watch more videos of Nyanners milking herself? Is that what you want? I can pull her up. I don't really know much about her. Hopefully she's not the type of people to like copyright people. I don't know. There are a lot of YouTubers out there who copyright people, like for the littlest of tiny things, you know. Hopefully she's not one of those people. I highly doubt she'll find my channel and copyright me, but who knows, you know. Anyways, progress is for... I'm gonna try making some progress. I do want to make some progress today. Damn, if you found my kryptonite. No, I do not. Do you not like Nyanners or something? Anyways, I'm gonna try... Okay. I want to try optimizing my open world now. So I was doing some thinking today. I wanted to randomly spawn horses into my game. You know, I created this creature last stream. I created this creature. Now I want to randomly spawn it into the world. However, if I did that, the performance would tank a lot. My performance would go down a lot because right now my world's 100 chunks by it's 10 chunks by 10 chunks, and each chunk is 10 by 10, so that's 100 by 100. That's 10,000 tiles added, like AI on top of that. I think the performance is gonna drop a lot. So I want to optimize my world for now. I want to optimize my world. So basically, this is how I want to optimize my world. This is the player. I want to generate 3x3 chunks around the player. When the player moves out of the chunk, it will deload like the previous chunks and then reload the chunks that the player is going into. Like this here. This is yeah, this is how I want to optimize my game right here. So this is a 3x3 chunk, and then when it moves out of the chunk, it will basically unload the chunks that it moved it out of, and then load the new chunk. These are the new chunks that's gonna load. Slime was yes, surprisingly, I think, yes. Yeah, I do a lot of thinking, surprisingly. It's not very complex thinking, but yes, I do thinking sometimes. Yeah, that's what I want to do. First things first, I'm going to test the performance. I'm going to randomly spawn a bunch of creatures and see how the performance is like. I'm going to see how the performance is. I'm going to open world gen here. I'm going to just if tile equals nothing. So that means there's nothing there. Var, I'm going to instantiate, I'm going to create creature here. Constant creature. And then I'm gonna spawn creature there. Let me do this. Let me do spawn creature. What was I gonna do? Oh, right. Creature dot position. Creature dot instantiate. Creature. And then creature.position, creature.position, creature.position. And this should spawn a bunch of creatures in my game. I want to see the performance because this probably will tank my performance. My game will probably run at like 10 frames per second if I do this. So I want to see what my performance is before I start optimizing. My game's not even, it's not even booting up anymore. Oh wait, shit. Something did not work there. Oh, right. I want to randomize this. So it'll only spawn if it's a % chance. If Randy range 1 to 100 equals 60, I'll just do 1, you know. If Randy range equals 1, fish. You want me to add fish to this game? I'm gonna be real. I don't know how to add fishing. I don't know how I'm gonna add fishing to the game. I'm gonna be real. I don't know how to add fishing. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I will. Like, I guess without water, then it would fly. I don't know how to create a flying creature, and my game crashed. Oh fuck, my game crashed. Creature to instantiate. Why did that not work? Creature.instantiate. Why is creature null though? Huh? I am so confused. Creature. Did I spell creature right? Creature. Listen to Nutty Buddy create flying fish? I guess I could, you know, I could. I'll see what. I have to figure out how to set up the spawn first. I'll figure out what enemies to add later. I have to get the world functional before I start adding things, okay? I have to start doing things first. I gotta do more. Okay, there's an order to doing things, okay? I can't do things out of order. Before I can create a car, I have to build the parts first, you know? This is the same thing. Yeah, before I could start adding new creatures, I need to figure out how to get them spawning and to get the world running. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to figure how to get this to work. Creature.instantiate. Why is it null? Again, error. The key position or base object type null. If player to position. Position a player. Why is that null? The player should be spawned in already. Invalid access to position. Fuck. If 1 plus 1 equals 2, does 1... Yes, if 1 plus 1 equals 2, then 1 plus 1 equals 2. I have now downloaded Godot. Are you making a game, Nutty Buddy? I am... Oh, right, you did... Okay, I forgot to read your message earlier, but you said, I am tired of waiting for Maxstein to make the milking game. I will start programming it myself. Are you actually gonna create a milking game? I will make the milking game. Well, go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. If player, let's see if this will work. If player, will this work? This way, if the player is not null, then it will run. Let's see if this will work. And now I can finally say your streams are educational. I've always been educational, okay? My streams have always been educational. Why did my game crash again? Fuck. Oh my god, why is it crashing? Dog, it's just crashing over and over. Man. Does the player not get spawned right away? If player and I think that the player gets spawned afterwards, maybe? I'm not sure why, but the player gets spawned afterwards. Let me see this. Hello, Blue Alien. Welcome to the stream, and how you doing? I am doing more game dev today. I'm hopefully trying to make some progress today. Holy shit, yeah, I was so surprised, but apparently you can actually run Godot on your fucking phone, apparently. You can fucking run Godot on your... I did it. I didn't make a game or anything, but I actually ran Godot on my phone, and it works. It legitimately works. Theoretically, you could program an entire game on your phone. I don't think you should do that, but theoretically, you could. Oh, wait, I get it now. I get it. Oh, okay, I see what the issue is. I get it. I set the player coordinates to /player. That is not how I'm supposed to do it. Okay, I see. How am I gonna link this to the player? Okay, you can make mobile games on good. Yeah, I know. Okay, I thought you were referring to something different. I was talking about one time I found that you can download Godot on your phone. That's what I figured. I thought you were talking about something else. I thought you were referring to the fact that you can open Godot on your phone. That's what I was talking about. You can apparently code a game in on your phone or the mobile thing was like 3 streams ago. What mobile thing? Apparently Godot's on web and it's on what's it called? It's I don't know. I'm fucking blanking out, bro. Anyways. On ready. Okay, how do I do this? I need to get okay. Okay. So basically okay, wait. Let me figure out how to get this to work. How do I get the tree node? Wait, Godot, how to get top node. Get node. Okay, let me do this. Get node. So get tree get root get node. Godot mobile users are actually menaces. Like I said, theoretically, it is possible to code an entire game on your phone. I don't think it's suggested though. I don't think you should do that though. Get node. Wait. Wait. How am I? Okay. How do I get the player from? Okay. Let's say that the creature is here. How am I gonna get the player node? /player. I guess I could do that, but that seems really complicated. Oh, wait, someone's calling me. Give me a sec. Hello, I'm back. Welcome to the stream, Minnie. Hope you're having a good day, man. Hope you're having a good day and welcome to the stream. I'm confused. What is the name of the game that is being made? I have not come up with a name for the game yet. It's just a game that I'm creating. I haven't created a name for it yet. So I'm just trying to create a game, but I haven't gotten a name for it yet. So, no name yet. I don't know what this game is, so I'm just trying to figure it out. You should name the game something funny. I don't know what I'm going to call it, man. I do not know what I'm going to call this game. I will have to see. Oh my god. I keep spawning inside of a tree, man. I keep spawning inside of a fucking tree. Okay. The performance isn't great. I can notice that the frame rate has dropped. You guys can notice the dropped frame rate, right? Okay, are there any deer? Okay, I spawned deer last time. Where are the deers? Or the horses? There should be horses in this game. Did I lower? Okay, I gave it a 1% chance of summoning a deer, but it seems like that's way too low. Since I have not seen a deer yet. Let me actually increase the percent chance of there being a deer, actually. Guys, I finally passed my driving license test. Who should I drive over first? You should get a girlfriend and drive your girlfriend. Oh, wait, I forgot you don't have one. So what's good? Godot is the game engine. Godot is what I use to make this game right now. Godot is like Unity or something. It is what I use to make games. Yeah, it's what I use to make games, basically. If I use it to make games. Okay, let me do 10% chance. Let me do 10% chance to spawn. Okay, let me see some deers. I'm trying to randomly spawn in some deer. Oh my god, the frame rate. Yeah, I definitely need to optimize my fucking game. Yeah, my game has such high frame rate, guys. It's such a high quality game. This game is so fucking high quality. Look at this. Oh my god. Highest quality game, guys. Highest fucking quality game I've ever seen. Yeah, Look at this. Oh my god. This is optimal frame rate, guys. You guys would play a game with this frame rate, right? You guys would play a game like this, right? Would you guys? You guys would play this, right? You guys would play this, right? Right, guys? Right? You guys would play this, right, guys? Right? 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 Am I right? You guys would, right? Yeah, yeah, I definitely need to optimize my game. There's a lot of deers running around. I made the deer spawn rate too high. I guess I'll make the deer spawn rate at like 3, I guess. I'll make the deer spawn rate 3. Okay, I gotta optimize my game, I think. I gotta definitely optimize my game. Chat, remember in one of the previous streams, most of you guys were giving dating tips? I don't think anyone here should be giving people dating tips. I don't think anyone here dates. My PC is stolen from NASA. I can run this game at 12 billion FPS. Could you read my previous message? What was your previous message? Make it a prequel to the hero. Oh, wait. That's actually a good idea. Wait, that's actually a fucking good idea. Because the main character of that game is a retired hero. I could make it so that this game is the hero in his prime. Like when he's not retired. I theoretically could actually do that. Technically, I could actually do that, you know? I could make like a demon lord as the final boss of the game that's like actually strong and not the one from my other game. That's actually a good idea, Garrett. Like that's one of the few ideas that you've given me that are actually good. Actually, yeah, I don't know what's up with you, Garrett. I genuinely don't know what happened to you last time. Yeah, I don't know what happened to you, but I hope you're fine now, you know? I hope you're fine now, you know? Anyways. Okay, trust me, Slime wouldn't know what good dating advice even if you... Wait. He wouldn't know what good dating advice is, even if you got shot in the head by an Italian mobile... You mean Mafia Boss? Did your thing get auto-corrected? Is it supposed to be Mafia Boss? What the fuck do you mean Mobile Boss? Oh, hello, Foil. Welcome to the stream. Do you want to see my high-quality game, Foil? Welcome to the stream, Foil. I hope you're having a good day. I want to show off my game. My game runs so smoothly. The frame rate is just impeccable. The frame rate of my game is impeccable. Look at this frame rate, man. A crisp, high-quality 2 frames per second. This game is like 2 frames. It's so impeccably high. Look at this frame rate. This is incredible, Foil. You would play a game like this, right? You would play a game like this. Hope you're having a good day, Foil. Welcome to the stream. This is going to be the optimization stream, where I'm going to try to optimize this game, where deers aren't just, they aren't gonna just, fucking tank my frame rate. Actually, that's about... I would say that's about 4. I would say about 4 or 5 frame rates per second. I don't think it's any higher than about 4 or 5. Aren't NASA computers strong enough to connect stuff in space? The problem is not the rendering. The problem is that I have 1,000+ deers running around in a world that has 10,000 tiles. Okay. Basically, this is my world right now. Let me show you guys how big my world is. My world is 10 by 10 chunks right now. It's 10 by 10 chunks, okay? Imagine this is 10 by 10, alright? This is 10 by 10 chunks. Alright, this is 10 by 10 chunks. Each chunk is also made up of 10 by 10 tiles. Each tile has a different color. Now imagine this. 10 by 10, 10 times 10, that's 100 by 100. That's 10,000 tiles. Now, there's a 10% chance of me spawning a deer when the tile is empty. So, that's a lot of deers, or whatever creature that is. I need to optimize my game. So, in order to optimize my game, this is how I want to do it. I want to just generate a 3x3 chunks around the player. So, this is 3x3 chunks. This is the player. I want to make it so every time the player moves out of the chunk that it's in, outside that, it loads in a new chunk, loads in 3 new chunks, and then deletes these 3 chunks, basically. That's what I want to do. So that I gotta optimize it. And then I'll only spawn deers that are inside here. And if a deer is too far, I'm gonna despawn the chunk. I'm gonna despawn the deer, basically. I'm gonna create a deer despawn function, then I guess. I'm gonna make it so my deer can despawn. Let me create a despawn function here. Creature. Let me create a despawn. Let me create a despawn component. Well, gotta go. Hope everyone has a great day. I hope you have a great day too, Blue Alien. I hope you have a fantastic day. Hope you have a great day, man. Hope you have a great day. If a deer is walking around, the player causes a chunk to be deleted. I'm gonna make it so the deers despawn if they're too far away, basically. I'm gonna make them despawn when they're too far. Like, if something's really far away, we don't need them anymore. I'm just gonna fucking obliterate them. Send them to the fucking Shadow Realm. I'm gonna create a component called the despawn component. Also, hello, Levi. Welcome to the stream. Store the current chunk coordinates on top level on the process function. Get the chunk coordinate. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing. Levi basically just summarized what my idea is. It's gonna, I get how it's done in theory, but I don't know how to implement it yet because I've never implemented it before. So I have to figure out how to implement it, basically. Like, I get the idea of how it's done. I just don't know how it's done, you know? Like, I just don't know how it's done. Despawn comp. If the stored chunk coordinate is different from process chunk, that means the player changed chunks. Yeah, like I said, I know the idea of how it's done. I'm just not sure how to code it. And I'll figure out how to code it, though. I'll figure out how to code it. Another way you could do observers with signals and area 3D, but yeah, that's kind of complicated. What I'm going to do is that I'm gonna take the player's coordinates, like 363 or whatever, 262. And then I'm going to divide it by the size of a chunk. So one chunk is 80 by 80, I think. So one tile is 8 pixels, or 8 measurements or whatever. I don't know what M is, but 8M. So it's one tile, and the chunk is made by 10 by 10. So it's 80. So I'm gonna do 69. I'm gonna do the position modulo. Wait, not modulo. Just divide, I think. I'm going to divide it and get rid of the remainder. I'm going to get rid of the remainder. And then I'm just going to get that as the chunk position or whatever. When the chunk changes, check the 9 chunks around the player's new position. And then check if those chunks are empty spaces. Yeah, that's basically what I plan on doing. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing. But yeah, then I'm going to have to go around and then like unspawn these and stuff. Damn, Slime is doing... This is literally just division, bro. It's literally just division. Divide. Oh my god, it's division. So complicated. Oh, division. I know how scary division is, guys. Division, that's like PhD level. I have a PhD in division, guys. I have a PhD in division. Where is my components? Wait, let me see where my components are, because I want to see where... Why? Okay, my scripts and my scenes are getting mixed up. I need to put the scenes in the scenes folder and the scripts in the scripts folder. Why are my scenes and I'm segregating these files, by the way. This is segregation. I'm separating the scripts and the scenes. This is segregation, both files, you know. I have a PhD in yapping. Yes, you yap a lot, Nutty Buddy. Maybe you should stop yapping. Okay, let me create a despawn component. This is despawn. Create. Okay, so this I'm gonna get a despawn component. I'm gonna get at export var main node 3D. Basically, if the player's too far, if the creature, okay, I'm not gonna explain it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it and not explain because sometimes I don't think you guys even care about the do you guys even care when I explain? I don't think you guys actually pay attention. I'm not a teacher. This isn't a university lecture. You guys don't need to be taught how to do this. Just pay attention or whatever. Or don't. You guys don't have to pay attention, honestly. I'm just gonna do this. Main dot player dot position. If main.player.getPosition dot distance to main.position main.queueFree, is that how you get rid of, is that how you free? Okay, this theoretically, this should despawn. How do you actually get? I can just do that with positions. I can do it with math. So everything in this game is tiled. A tile is 8. I don't know what unit. What unit does game engines use? Let's say 8 skibbities by 8 skibbities. Okay, there's 8 skibbities by 8 skibbities. That is one tile. One tile is 8 skibbities by 8 skibbities. One chunk is 10 tiles by 10 by 10. So that's 8 skibbities times 10. That's 80 skibbities. So I can just figure it out based on the amount of tiles and then multiply it by the skibbity count. 1 unit equals 1 meter. Is it really 1 meter? I gotta say, my player is massive then. My player is, 1 tile is 8 meters by 8 meters then. It's very big. Should I actually make it small? Wait! What if I just scale everything down? Wait. If I scale everything down, I really don't have to do math. Wait, I just realized I should have made this game 1 meter by 1 meter. I made this whole process fucking so much harder by making it 8 tiles. By making it 8 meters. I could have just made this 1 meter and everything would have been so much easier. Don't fuck with the scale. I know, okay, I'm not gonna do that because it's already too late. But if I started the game originally and I made it 1 meter by 1 meter and just made the camera smaller so that, like, you know, if I made the player and I made everything smaller originally, this would have been so much fucking easier. I don't have to divide by 8, multiply by 8. It would have been so much easier. I could just, like, get the number itself. Don't need to do any mumbo jumbo. Just, like, got it, you know? But no, I had to make it fucking complicated for myself by, like, doing, like, 8 skibbities. Anyways, I'm gonna test the frame rate now. Theoretically, this should, like, make the frame rate a little bit better. Because, what's it called? The frame rate, okay, yeah, the frame rate is looking a little bit better now. The frame rate is looking better now. Oh my fucking, I don't know what is going on. I keep accidentally pressing stop stream. I swear to God, this is the 3rd time I've done it. This is the 3rd time I accidentally pressed stop stream. I don't think it was because it crashed or anything. Because like I have my OBS on a second monitor. Sometimes I like pull my mouse cursor onto the second monitor. And sometimes I accidentally press buttons on the second monitor. And I accidentally press stop stream by accident. This is like the 3rd time I've done that. Like the 3rd fucking time I've done that for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm using the second monitor to adjust my... Yeah, okay, the frame rate is a little bit better now. It's not great. The frame rate isn't great, but it's still better now. It's better. The frame rate is better. These guys are just running off. Wait, why is there like... Wait. Why is there an invisible chunk there? Wait, I'm so confused. Why is there like an invisible chunk on the side? So I didn't have to threaten my internet provider with burning their headquarters down. That's a little extreme, man. That's a little extreme. I don't think you should be doing that in the first place. I don't know why there's an invisible edge off the side of my world for some reason. I don't know where this came from, but there's an invisible... There's an, like, look at this. There's an invisible, like, chunk here. I don't... Why? What? Where is this coming from? Why is there, like... Huh? There is gravity, because if I run off too far from the ledge, I will fall off and die. But I don't know why I can go off the side of the edge like this. What? I never programmed this, by the way. I don't know why I could just walk off the edge. Why can I do this? Why can I do this? Like, it's not that big of an issue, but, like, why can I do this? Why can I just walk off the edge? I'm so confused. So as you guys can tell, the frame rate is a little bit better now. Now that I've gotten rid of 1,000 deers or so. But, yeah, I don't know why I can walk like this. I don't know what is going on. Why can I do this? Why can I do this? Maybe you can optimize it by disabling collision for all chunks and then putting an invisible floor on the entire map. I'm just gonna do my chunking ability. Yeah, there is gravity. If I jump off too far, I'll fall off the map. There is gravity. There is gravity because I have fallen off before. But for some reason, there's like an invisible collision here. I do not remember adding an invisible collision. What the fuck? Wouldn't it be ideal to make infinite world? That's what I thought as well. I might do an infinite... I might do two modes. I might do like a limited world and an infinite world in the future. I'm not 100% sure. I might do an infinite world in the future, yeah. I might do an infinite world. But for now, I want to keep my scope small, you know? You know what they say? Start small, get big after. Just like a penis, you gotta start small and then get big after. Once you understand how to do it, you know? Once you get how everything works, you start small and then get big. That's exactly what I plan on doing. I start small. Okay, so now there's the despawn component. Now my component can despawn. They can despawn now. Just like a normal human being, they can despawn. Let me see the tile here. Let me see where the tile... Where's my tile scene? Where is my tile... Wait, what? Floor. Where's my tile scene? I definitely have a tile scene. Ground node. Okay, let's see my ground node. What is wrong with my fucking thing? Why is the collision... Oh, yeah. I made my collision way too big for some reason. Why is the collision shape that big? What the fuck? Why is the collision shape so big? What? Who? Yeah, the collision shape was too big. Okay, this should fix it now, right? I created that. That should fix the collision, right? I think that should fix the collision. Let me test it real quick. That should fix the collision. The collision should be fixed now, theoretically. Theoretically, it should be fixed. Yep, it's fixed. It is fixed. Okay. Now for the hard part. Yes, Garrett, we know you like penis. You can stop saying penis now. Okay, now for the spawn and despawn chunk. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Alright, how do I want to do this? For load world, load chunk. Okay. How do I want to do this? So first, I need to get the player position, first of all. I need to get the player position. Player position here. I need to get the player position. Once I've gotten the player position, I'm trying to figure out how I plan on doing this. Chunk.instantiate. How do I do my chunking system again? I don't remember. Go suck a dick and banana because that's all you ever have, you know? I don't know, man. You sound kind of salty, bro. You sound kind of salty. Are you kind of salty, Garrett? Garrett, are you kind of salty, bro? Bro, are you salty? Mm, mm, bro. Okay, let me figure this out again. Load chunk. That's my chunk system. Load chunk. How do I win? Should I create a dictionary? I could create an array, maybe? Let me create a dictionary. Why are all emote states flavored? Emoino? What? Did you misspell that? Okay, let me try to figure this out. I gotta kind of figure this out. World. Okay, my world is an array of arrays. So gen chunks. This generates the chunks. So this gen chunks, this load world, this load chunk. Not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna rewrite. I might make adjustments, but I'm definitely not gonna rewrite it. I'm not gonna fucking rewrite my whole thing. I am gonna make adjustments, but I'm definitely not rewriting. Okay, let me see here. So okay, this will come in handy. The world, wait, where is it? The world array will definitely come in handy. What is world X and world Y? Oh, world X and world Y is how big the world is. Okay. I can make the world even, theoretically, I can make my world 100. Wait, let me see how the performance of my game is with. I can make my world bigger with 100 by 100. Let's see that. Let me see how big that is. I want to see what the performance will be if I made my world 100 by 100. I am sure that my performance will be absolute dog shit if I made my world 100 by 100. It's not even, the game's not even loading. It's like frozen. It's actually frozen. So, yeah, that's probably way too big, probably. 100, okay, 100 by 100. How many chunks is that? That's 10,000. 10,000 times 100. What's 10,000 times 100? 10,000 times 100 is like a million. That's a million tiles. A million tiles. That's only tiles as well, by the way. That's only a million. Wait. That's a million tiles, including dungeons, trees, and grass as well. The game is still loading in. It's not even finished loading yet. It's still loading. It's still loading. I don't know if it's is my game frozen? There's no error. I'm not getting an error message. So, what if you made the world 1 by 1? I can hear the computer's fan. I have 2 fans running right now. I have an like external fan and like I have like a fan, like a laptop. You know what? Fuck it. I'm done. I'm not doing. Wait. Let's try 2 by 2. Actually, let's try 2 by 2. Let's see how 2 by 2 will run. 2 by 2. This is my 2 by 2. 2 chunks by 2 chunks. Actually, let's do 1 by 1. Actually, let's do 1 by 1. I forgot that this is 1 chunk and not 1 tile. Let's do a 1 by 1 world. This should be instantaneous, you know? This should be instantaneous. Let me open this up so you guys can actually see what is going on. Okay, so this is a 1 chunk by 1 chunk. 1 chunk is pretty decently big, you know? Pretty decently big. Pretty decently big. That's the bye-bye! The deer is just gone. The deer is just gone, man. The deers would rather kill themselves than talk to me. They would rather fucking kill themselves than talk to me, man. Looks like it performs pretty well. Yeah, it will work well if the chunks are very low. If the chunks aren't high, then it will work well. The only problem is when the chunks are 100 by 100. That is 1,000,000 tiles. So that's the problem. I have to keep my chunks very small. I have to do it by 3 by 3, 9 chunks at a time. I think 1 chunk is pretty big. I think 1 chunk is pretty big. 1 chunk is pretty decently big. Did you make the player character have your real face? Or why do I'm so ugly that they don't even need to see how I look. Just being around me makes them want to kill themselves. My aura of not taking a shower in 20 years makes them want to kill themselves. You know, my aura, my aura. My aura is just that powerful, bro. My aura is literally just that powerful. My aura is so powerful. Anyways. So, func get player chunk position. I'm gonna create get player chunk position. This is my world gen script, right? Okay. Wait, actually, I'm gonna do chunk pause, and I'm gonna do pause, var pause, and then I'm gonna return vector2 equals pause dot vector var chunk pause equals vector2 pause x divided by 80 pause dot y divided by 80, and yeah. Also, is the z what is the up and down? What is up and down again? I forgot. Is up and down z value? I forgot. I need to remember what the up and down value is. Is that z? No, that's what is z? No, it's y. Holy shit, it's y. Who knew? I thought it was z. Actually, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Z and return chunk pause. Chunk pause. Wait, is it? Okay, so that's Z, right? Yeah, that's Z. Wait, that's Y. Wait, that's Y. Yeah, that's Y. So Y is the one I don't want to use, because I don't care about the height. I don't care about the player's height. Like, I don't care if you're 6 feet tall or if you're a midget. I don't care. As long as I only care about how wide and how thick you are. That's all I care about. Your width and your thickness. Not about your height. Okay, that gets the chunk position. If I have the player position, func player pause. Player pause. Player pause. Player dot position. Position. Player dot position. Dot. Wait. Return chunk position of the player position. Up and down is Y, left and right is X, forward and backward is Z. That's good to know. I don't remember that, but I hope I will. Player chunk position. Okay, player chunk position. Alright. Load world. Should I load player world? Wait. Func load chunks. Wait, what does load world do again? I forgot. Load chunks. Load chunk. For load chunk, I should probably only do. Wait. Okay, yeah. I got it. Load chunk. I should be able to keep load chunk the exact same. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna change load chunk. Load chunk is going to be the exact same. Wait, I'm actually going to make it a little bit different. I'm going to load chunk a little bit different. Instantiate. Fuck. How am I going to do this? Chunk. Yeah, okay. I'm going to create a chunk value. I'm going to create a chunk so that I don't have to delete okay, so basically, okay, this is how I want to do it. So I'm going to do a chunk as a node. This is the chunk node. Every single tile is going to be a child of the chunk node. So this is example 1, 1, 1, 2, This way, I don't have to loop through and delete every single tile manually. I can just delete the chunk, the main chunk pair, and it will delete all the tiles automatically. So I'm going to try making a chunk and then child all the tiles to that chunk. That way, I just have to delete that one chunk. I don't have to delete everything else. That way, it's all nice and simple. Nice and simple. When I load the world, I will have to, what's it called? I'll have to delete it. I don't know. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. How am I gonna do this though? I need to figure this out. Shit. My brain is blanking out, man. I'm gonna be honest. My brain is blanking out here. My brain is blanking out. Fuck. Fuck. I hate it. I hate how my brain just blanks out, man. Okay. First things first. Let's fix this. Let's fix this. Load world is gonna load around the player. So load world. Load world chunk. I'm gonna create another variable called isLoaded. This isLoaded function will be a boolean if it's loaded or not loaded. IsLoaded equals isLoaded. Var isLoaded. IsLoaded equals okay. And then I'm gonna go into the world. IsLoaded equals false. Remember, I don't know for sure if I'm gonna make it a prequel, but that is a good idea. I'm not 100% sure. I will make it a. I'm not 100% sure that I will make it a. What's it called? I'm not 100% sure that I'll make it like a prequel, but I'll try my best. I'm gonna be real today. I woke up early today, so my brain is kind of fizzle brain. My brain is kind of dying right now. It's kind of fizzled, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best here. I'm a little bit tired, so my brain is not exactly working optimally, but I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, I'm gonna call this another function. I'm gonna keep this load area. This is load area. Actually, I'm gonna call this load land. I'm gonna call this load land. How about a deal? I'll figure it out. Like, I might not even release this game. You guys do realize, I don't know if I'm releasing this game or not, right? You guys do realize, I am not sure if I'm gonna release this game or not. I do not know if I'm gonna release this game. Like, I very might not even release this game if it's not good. I'm only gonna release this game if it's good. If it's not good, I'm not gonna fucking release this game, okay? Not gonna fucking release this game. Let me see. So, get player position. Get player chunk position. Get player chunk. I'm gonna rename this get player chunk, because I feel like that's a better name. Get player chunk. Get player chunk. Get player chunk. Release it only via, like I said, I might release it if it's good. If I actually finish it and it becomes a full product, I will finish it. DLC costs $1 million. I wish someone would buy a $1 million product from me. If someone bought something from me for $1 million, I would be a semi-millionaire. So, you know, I wish, bro. I wish. I fucking wish, man. I wish. Load chunk for var player chunk equals will it, like I said, I don't know. Why are you guys asking this question? Why don't you go ask God or something? God probably knows the answer. I don't know if I'm gonna fucking release this. I do not know. If people want it, maybe. I don't know. Dog. Plus, putting this game on Steam costs money, I think. And I don't have money to put this game on Steam, okay? You think I could just fork over $100 to Steam so easily? I can't even afford that, bro. Anyways, I guess I could release it on, like, Steam. On itch. But then, yeah, I don't know. Oh, this game is nowhere near as high quality as Muck. This game is nowhere near as high quality as Muck. Muck is actually a high quality game. This is shit. This is dog shit. Pay to win with 999 Google Flex ads. Yeah, I'll make this game pay to win. I'll also have a ton of ads too. Tons of ads. Trust me, there will be so many ads. So many ads. Looks like not really. I mean, I get. Aside from the fact that it's low poly, it doesn't look that much like Muck. It's just low poly. All low poly. Most low poly shit, aside from like Oblivion and like the retro style game. Low poly stuff just happen to look similar. Okay, they just happen to look similar. It's because I don't texture my models because I'm too lazy to do that. Load land. Load land. Wait. Wait, fuck. Wait, reload chunks. I'm gonna rename this to reload chunks because I'm gonna delete old chunks and I'm gonna undelete old chunks and stuff, so. What happened to the NPC? Like I said, that's for the future. That's for the future, man. That's for the future. That's for the future. I don't know, okay, bro? I don't know. This is for the future. So this is gonna load the player chunks. For X in 3. For Y in 3, this should do a 3x3. How do I want to do this? Fuck. Bread. My brain is blanking out. God damn. Jesus Christ. I'm sleep deprived. I'm actually exhausted. I lack the sleep to be doing this, but I'm doing game development on hard mode right now. This is hardcore game development. If this was a game setting, I would be playing on merciless mode because not only am I being distracted by chat, I'm also sleep deprived and streaming this as well, which this just makes everything harder. I'm doing game development on hard mode. I am doing game development on hard mode right now. Okay, I'm gonna rack my brain. Like, this is not even complicated. This is simple stuff. And yet, for some reason, my brain is just tired. It just wants to sleep. But unfortunately, I do not get to sleep yet because I have a bad sleep schedule. I have awful sleep schedule. So, unfortunately, there will be no sleeping for me, No sleeping for me. If I fall asleep, I'm gonna be electrocuted. So, player... Shit. Fuck. Do I have to do this manually? I don't think I can... Wait, I don't think I can do this with a loop, actually. I might not be able to make this a loop. I might have to... Okay, let me do this. Player load chunk. If player chunk dot x -1 equal greater than 0 and this, if this is greater than 0, then I'm gonna load my brain. If I was an NPC, I would sell cheese for an outrageous price that decreased by 1 every time you die. Slime has been open wiring. I don't even know what that means, man. I don't know what that means. Okay, let me actually just draw this out. Drawing things always help me out. So, example, let's say the player position is 1-1. I want to check. I don't want to, like, I can't load chunks that exist outside of 0-0. So, I can't do anything chunks with negative position. I can't, like, actually spawn anything with a negative position. So, everything is positive. So, it will only load the chunk if it's positive. So how do I check? I need to check it's greater than 0 and less than world X and world Y. Is there a way to do a loop for this? I guess I could. Yeah, I think I can do a loop. Okay, let me redo the loop. Okay, I'm gonna do if player chunk dot x greater than 0 minus 1 plus x equals 0. Okay. If that is greater than 0 and player chunk dot x minus 1. Wait, no, it's plus 1. Wait. Fuck. Oh my god, my brain's blanking. Wait, yeah. I think that works. X minus 1 plus x less than or equal to 0. I think I can have a chunk at the 0 position. Wait, let me actually check this. What is the position of the player? Okay, I think it starts at 0-0, yeah. Also, welcome to the stream, Bubba Boogs VR. Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day. I'm doing game development while sleep deprived. So do excuse me if I do feel a little brain dead today. Bubba is back. Slime might actually... To be fair, I've mostly been doing this myself, To be fair, I've mostly been doing this myself, To be fair, Remnant NPC is not always there, but we'll sell you some items. Okay. Guys, I'm being trolled. What are you guys being trolled by, Nutty Buddy? What are you being trolled by? Anyways. Basically, I'm trying to check that the chunk that's being loaded is not outside of the world. Because, the world is limited size. I'm trying to make it so it's not bigger than the world. So let me check that. Chunk.y greater than plus y. Let me do that. Let me do this. 0 y. This should work. Theoretically, that should work. I have no way of testing it if it works unless I actually figure it out, but okay, so player chunks. Wait, vector 2. Wait, no, wait. Oh shit, wait, fuck. Oh wait. Wait, why is this if statement not working? World X. Is world X not declared? Oh, wait, okay, that's capital. Fuck. I used a capital. Why is my capitalization convention always different? Why is it both capitalized? I don't know why I did this convention. Blue alien is NPC as well. Well, that would make sense because he is an alien. TNTO NPC just flirts with everything and everyone. I should just upload videos. Some rando subbed to me, and after I made a community post asking who the fuck subbed to me, some other guy came and told me he subbed. Now I have 2 subs, 0 video. Bro is gaining subs faster than I do, man. Okay. Load chunks. Load chunk. World. player chunk plus this. This is really convoluted. This is absolutely so fucking convoluted. This is so fucking convoluted the way I'm doing this, man. This is so goddamn convoluted. I will persist. Hello, Remni. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing, man? I hope you're having a good day. I am sleep deprived right now, so I am doing game development on hardcore mode because I'm sleep deprived. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know if this will wait. Actually, I need a spawn player. I need to create a spawn player function. Spawn player. Spawn player. Var spawned equals false. While not spawned, I'm gonna pass this for now. According to Google, you have 3.27 thousand subscribers. That's pretty decent, I guess. That's pretty decent, you know? Pretty decent. Game dev on hardcore? Well, if it's hardcore, make it more difficult and unique. But don't make it just... Okay, this is hardcore mode because I'm sleep deprived. So, that's why it's hardcore mode. It's hardcore because I'm sleep deprived. And because I'm being distracted by chat. You guys don't understand how difficult it is to have my thought process be distracted by seeing a chat message move. Okay, it's actually very distracting. You guys, it's very distracting. Plus, I don't want to just cover my chat because I am technically streaming. I kind of, have to interact with you guys or else you guys will be bored. You guys will leave. And technically, you guys can't just do that. I try not to do that, So, I'm doing game development on hardcore mode right now. Randy range. Okay, var position. Spawn. Pause. Spawn pause equals Randy range from 0 to world. Spawn position equals vector 2 Randy range. Oh my god. Sometimes the code can be super long, convoluted. This also didn't help that I ate this really good fries before I started streaming, so now I'm just actually tired. Have you guys ever eaten a big meal and then after you finish eating the meal you feel tired afterwards? That was me. I literally ate something that was really good. There was a lot of food there. It was really good, but then I ate it and now I'm just tired because it was so good. Yeah, I just ate a meal and now I'm tired. World Y times 80. World X times 80. I searched my name and found out there's another nutty buddy that has posted videos but has 1 sub. Somehow I am just by default, to be fair, nutty buddy, you are my favorite person I know that is named Nutty Buddy. Believe it or not, you are my favorite nutty buddy that I know. Out of all the nutty buddies that I know in the whole wide world, you are my favorite nutty buddy. Alright, you are my favorite nutty buddy out of the whole wide world that I know of all nutty buddies. Anyways. If... Wait, player dot position equals spawn pause. Thanks. You are my favorite slime out of all slimes, even fictional characters that... To be fair, that is very high praise, considering there is a decent amount of slimes out there, okay? There are a decent amount of slimes. You are my favorite red slime, Godot. Thank you very much. You guys very much appreciate it, very much appreciate it. You are also my favorite Bubba Boogs VR. Out of all the Bubba Boogs VR I know, you are my absolute favorite. My absolute #1 favorite Bubba Boogs VR. Yes, you can take that in honor. Speaking of which, I kind of have to go and 15 minutes. If you do go, let me know. I'll say goodbye. Have a good therapy set. You're leaving for therapy, right? Are you leaving for therapy? Because I know you said that you left for therapy. I don't know why VR is in my username. It shouldn't be. Yeah, I don't know why VR. Like, do you do VR stuff? Are you like a VR chat player or something? Are you a VR dude? I don't know. Wait, gonna comment on the video of the other Nutty Buddy and tell him how much he sucks. In the other stream, he was blue. What color do you guys want me to be? I can change my colors. Do you guys want me to change my colors? I can change my colors if you want. Do you guys want me to change my colors? Chunk pause. Wait. Var chunk pause. Wait. Chunk position. Chunk pause. Spawn pause. I need to check. I need to check. .x. Wait. Var chunk equals chunk position. World. Chunk.x. Chunk.y. Not equals if this is equal to null, then spawn equals true. And then I can spawn the player. Player.position equals spawn pause. This should theoretically work. Theoretically, theoretically, this should work. Black slime matter. Become a slightly different shade of red. Let me see what color I can change myself into right now. Okay, what color do you guys want? What color of slime do you guys want? I can change my gamma. Wait, I didn't turn that on. Change my gamma. Wait, that's I'm blue right now. I forgot. I'm blue right now. I forgot. Let me change my color. What color do you guys want me to be? I can be a different shade of red, I guess. Let me actually make myself 0, 0 right now. Slightly different shade of red. Okay, I can do that. Let me change my slightly shade of red. I can make myself more red. Supremely red. I can make myself dull as well. There's a lot of things I can do with my model. Well, I'm technically not doing a model. This is just like a filter, honestly. This is literally just a filter. Do you want me to make myself super red? I can make myself super red. Or super white. Literally so white, guys. I am so white. I am so white. Become gray for the hell of it? I can become gray, yeah. Look how red I am. I'm so fucking red. I'm legitimately so red right now. Okay, that just became black. Holy shit. I literally just lost all my rights. Transparent? I can become transparent, I think. Let me check. How do I make myself transparent? I don't remember how to do that. Shit. If only I knew how to do this efficiently. Let me do that. You wanted gray, right? You wanted me to be gray. I can also increase the contrast as well. Brightness. Shit, that does not look good at all. Contrast. Lower the brightness. There we go. I now identify as invisible. I was born visible, but I now transition into transparency. Oh, wait, I could do this. Wait, I can do this. I can do this. Hey, wait a second. This actually works. This actually works. Wait a second. I'm like a ghost now. I'm like a ghost. Wait, I'm like a ghost, guys. I'm a ghost. Oh, I mean, who killed me? Wait, someone killed me, and now I'm a ghost. Wait, guys, I got killed. Oh my god, I think someone needs to do a funeral for me because I died. Someone straight up killed me. Someone straight up killed me, guys. Someone killed me. I think the cops killed me, and now I'm invisible. Help. Please send help. Guys, I'm gonna call SlimeInSpace at 3 a.m. at night because I'm invisible now. Oh my god, I died. I'm dead. I died. I'm a ghost. 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 Yeah, I'm a ghost, guys. Anyways, I am gonna get back to game development. You guys are all subscribing to each other right now. God damn. Reload chunks. I'm gonna reload chunks. Reload chunks here. You know what? I'm gonna call this Reload World. That makes more sense to me, I think. Reload World. Reload World. That should work, right? Yeah, okay. Will this work? I don't know if this is working or not, because I didn't test it yet, but hopefully this works. How the hell did I spawn inside of a tree? How the fuck did I spawn inside of a tree? Okay. Oh, wait, because the player position... Oh, fuck. I forgot about player position. Wait. Where is spawn player again? Spawn player. Spawn pause dot x vector 3, because I forgot the player position is a vector 3, not a vector 2. Spawn pause dot x 0. I'm gonna do like 0.1. Spawn pause dot y. See if this should work, right? It should work. How? Why am I inside of a fucking tree? What? Why did my code not work? I got spawned inside of a fucking tree. I got spawned inside of a fucking tree. Hello? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna print the player position. Player position. Player position dot print. Update stats, yada yada. Player dot position. Print player position. Print position. You guys are all just like subscribing to each other. That's very cool. You guys should all support each other, by the way. You guys should support each other. Yeah, you guys should do that. Okay, for some reason, it's not working. What? Huh. 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 What? Well, what? Okay, I gotta figure this out, because it's not working. I haven't played No Man's Sky in a year. I haven't played No Man's Sky in a couple months. It's been a while since I played it. Oh, wait. I didn't... Oh, my fucking gods. I didn't do spawn player function. God, I was like, oh, why doesn't it work? Why doesn't it work? Because it fucking doesn't work. Oh, my god. Now my game crashed. Fuck. Position.y. Position. Where'd I get pause from? There we go. Try this again. Let's try this again. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, okay. Chunk. Dot get key. Chunk. Dot. Fuck. Okay, this is really annoying. How am I gonna do this? I need to check if the tile. I checked the wrong thing. I checked the chunk and not the tile. I need to check the tile. Dot get tile. Wait, let me see here. Let me see here. Where's my chunk function? Where's my chunk? Dot tiles. Dot tiles. Where's my tiles function here? God damn. Dot tiles. Spawn pause minus 80. Spawn pause dot x minus 80 times chunk dot x. And then this is the same thing, both y. I honestly can't tell if my brain is just fucking up or if I'm doing this right or not. I have no clue. Please let this work, because I'm out of ideas. Oh, I spawned. I mean, that technically worked. Technically. Let's try this again. Maybe. Let's see. I have spawned in the void. Okay, I've spawned in the void. Instead of reload world, let's just try load world for now. Let's try load world. No Man's Sky is really fun. I played it, and then I got fucking ambushed by like a million enemies, and then I remember just like giving up because there were like so many enemies that were trying to fucking kill me. Okay, so I think my randomly spawning function works, but the thing is, my reload chunk function, the reload world function doesn't work. So basically, I can randomly spawn now, but the thing is, wait, what? Why am I under the ground? Hello? Why the fuck am I under the ground? What? Hello? Why the fuck am I under the ground? Why the... Oh my god, I can't tell what the issue is sometimes. You know, I'm gonna put this to 1. That way if I spawn in the air. Let me see here. Okay, there we go. I'm not in the ground anymore, at least. Okay, so I think my randomly spawn in the world works. Slime fails at No Man's Sky, but says he beats Dark Souls. Well, to be fair, I wasn't really as interested in No Man's Sky, okay? I wasn't as interested in No Man's Sky as I was with other series, okay? To be fair, I was more interested in other series, okay? Okay. I mean, I do like No Man's Sky. I was playing co-op with someone else, and they lost interest with it. So then I kind of lost interest with it as well, you know. I was doing co-op No Man's Sky, okay? I wasn't playing it myself, but they lost interest, and then, you know, I was like, okay, they dropped it. I might as well drop it as well. I'll replay it someday, you know. I'll replay No Man's Sky someday. Listen, someone got the game for me for co-op, okay? Someone got the game for me for co-op. They wanted to play it with me, and then they lost interest. So I lost interest too, okay? They're like, okay, we built a base. We literally built a base together. We literally, like, built a base. We made our ships. We fought together. And then he dies a couple times. And then he's like, okay, I'm bored. And then he drops the game never to play again. You know what? Fair enough. You don't want to play, you don't want to play, you know? Play Risk of Rain 2. Maybe someday. I have played Risk of Rain 2. Risk of Rain is also a co-op game. Yes, I am aware of that. But right now, I'm trying to figure out this right now. Not whatever the hell is going on in my chat. Print player position. Player.position. Okay, let me just see that this position. Let me print the position. World gen. I just want to make sure that my world gen works. I sub to you. You made a comment on the Merry Christmas post from 3 weeks ago. Who'd you sub to, Nutty Buddy? Who are you talking about? I found your channel, Nutty Buddy. It's very easy to find each other's channel. You guys know that, right? Anyway, spawn position 80. Yeah, this is so spawn position right now. There's world X times 80. Okay, this should. Okay, I think my spawning function works now. I think it works properly. I think I'm spawning in properly. I think. Let me check the position. Yeah, okay. I think that's definitely working. My position is very, very large now, so I think it works. You guys can't see it because it's nothing interesting is happening. I'm just spawning the world. Just spawning the world in right now. Or should I call you Ratos? Who's Ratos? Wait, is that Nutty Buddy's like real name? Or was that someone else? I don't remember. Remni actually got quite a good view margin. Yeah. Yeah, you guys are actually doing well for yourself. I know some of you guys make videos. I don't remember who it is, but some of you guys actually get more views than me. Some of you guys actually make banger videos, you know? Some of you guys actually make banger videos. So, yeah. Nutty Buddy equals Rados. Garrett leaked my email I made as a 12-year-old. I mean, yeah, I mean... Wait, where am I right now? What position am I at? Right now? How the wait, where am I right now? What is, oh, okay, yeah, I'm at the edge of the map now. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, I'm at the edge of the map. I somehow made it to the edge. Yeah, I somehow made it to the edge. Wait, let me think for a sec. Let me think. I might have to do this so it might have to do 79 because I don't think it includes the 80th tile. Hello, 1 a.m. Jerry. I commit tax fraud. Jerry is always oh, he deleted his message. Well, Jerry came and disappeared. Jerry's not here anymore. He came and disappeared. Ah ha ha ha. Hello back. Nice to meet you back. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you too back. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. Hopefully the IRS is not knocking on your door trying to arrest you. Right now, I'm trying to get this to work. So get player chunk equals get player chunk. This should work, right? The get player chunk should work. Get chunk position, which is position.x. Wait. Position, get position dot x. Player position. Player position. Vector. You know what? This is gonna be a vector 2. Vector 2. Vector 2. Player position dot x. Player dot position dot y. Or it should be dot z, right? I think that should be dot z. Oh, they're knocking as we speak. I'm currently loading my AK-47. I'm gonna show these motherfuckers who's boss. I must go. I need therapy. Bye. Have a good day, Remna. Thank you for joining, man. I hope you have a good therapy session. I hope whatever you're at therapy for is cured or something. I don't know. I don't know why you're at therapy, but I hopefully you work over whatever issues you have. Dude, do you even have a license to be able to... Bro, who needs a license in America, bro? Imagine needing a license to shoot a gun. That is so anti-freedom. Like, in the land of the free, we don't need license. We just have the rights, you know? You know, we don't have the... We just have the right. We don't need license. We just have rights, you know? We have rights and we have lefts. Okay, let me figure out what's wrong with my code, first of all. Let me figure out what's wrong with my code. So, get player position. Gets return chunk, vector 2, player.position x, player.position y. Or z, I should say. In the US, we do require one, but I don't because fuck the government. Wait, you need a license in America? I don't really know much about gun licensing because I don't have a fucking gun because I don't care about owning a gun. But you need a license in America to get a gun? I actually didn't know that because I always hear so many stories about America. So I genuinely, honestly, the internet has corrupted me. Like, some of the things I know are literally just misinformation, you know? Like, some of the memes, I know America has so many, like, Swiss cheese me. Like I go to school and come home as, like, cheese with holes in it. That's what some of the memes that I know. So, I don't know. I'm kind of biased from the memes. It's a fucking horrible place. Don't come here. I've been to America several times. Eat the gun? You want me to eat a gun? Alright. My brain's about to eat a bullet soon. It's about to eat a bullet. Anyways, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this to work. And why does this not work? For x in 3... Oh, that's why... Wait. Godot loop. Wait, what is x in 3 do? Does x... Okay, let me see here. Let me search this up. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very useful. ChatGPT. In Godot, does the loop for x in 3 go from x equals 0 to 3 or 0 to 2? So this will go from 0, 1, 2. Okay. That's exactly what I needed to know. That's all I needed to know. That's literally all I needed to know. So this should be correct then. This should be correct. This should be correct. So X will take on the value 0, 1, and 2. So X player chunk dot position. Player chunk dot X minus 1. Okay, let me draw this out. Drawing things out will always make things better. So player chunk, player chunk. Why is it doing this? Player chunk minus 1 plus 0. This should be correct. So why did I get this wrong last time? Why did it not work last time? French onion dip. Why did you talk about French onion dip? What? Huh? What does this have to do with a French onion dip? Why does this not work? For X? So this would be piece player chunk minus 1 plus 1. That would be just player chunk plus 1. Yeah, that should be working. I don't know why this doesn't work. Load chunk function should work normally. And let me try this. Let me try reload chunks here. Reload world. Let's see if this works. I don't see any issues with it, but there were issues last time, so I don't know what the issue is. Yeah, there is an issue. I don't know what the issue is though. Invalid access or key Z on base object type vector 2. Why is this vector 2 though? Position. Oh, this is the issue. That's why. That's fucking why. Okay, let's try this again. Try this again. Always so many issues. Oh, potential. The game loaded. The game loaded. Has he ever played Hollow Knight? I mean, I have played Hollow Knight. Believe it or not, you might not believe, because I know people think that I'm the worst gamer in the world, but believe it or not, I have beaten all of Hollow Knight, everything. I have beaten all of Pantheon 5. I have beaten every single boss in Hollow Knight in a row, including Absolute Radiance. Yeah, I've done that. Believe it. Believe it, bro. Believe it. Believe it. Or no, because I know people don't, but people think that I suck at video games, even though I'm actually pretty decent, you know? I'm actually pretty decent at video games. Okay, I think my code works. I think my code works. Let's fucking go. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Okay. I'm gonna do deload world now. Funk deload world. Pass for now. Why are you guys adding in chat? Why are you guys adding? 1 equals 1. So 11 equals 1 plus 1. I don't think that's true, man. I don't think 11 is 1 plus 1. As we all know, 11 is equal to 1 plus 2. We all know that. What did you change? I changed it. What did Nutty Buddy change? Yeah, what did you change? What did you change, Nutty Buddy? Now I'm no longer Ratos. I'm the... Bro, Nutty Buddy is not a Nutty Buddy. He's the Nutty Buddy. He is the one and only Nutty Buddy to ever exist. Man, I am actually struggling to stay awake. Holy fuck. Deload world. Okay, so I'm gonna do this as same logic as this. Wait, okay, this is the part where I wanna try something new here. I wanna instantiate the chunk. Okay, let's try this. Let's instantiate this chunk. World. No, wait, let me see the chunk here. Chunk.pause.x. Okay. Chunk.pause.x. Chunk.pause.y. Instantiate. Instantiate. Okay. Wait, is this already instantiated? Wait, I don't know if this is already instantiated. This might already be instantiated. Add child. Wait, let me see here. Add child here. Add child. Will this work? Will this work? So this adds this. This will physically var spawned chunk equals cannot get return value because it returns void. Oh, okay, it returns void. So I want to actually add a child here. Physically add a child. Yes, physically add a child. Sorry, I've not been reading chat a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Jerry gets the spirit. All fucking hail Nutty Buddy. Yes. Nutty Buddy is very cool. He's very cool. Like I said before, Nutty Buddy is my favorite Nutty Buddy. Out of all the Nutty Buddy I know, he's my favorite Nutty Buddy. He is not a Nutty Buddy. He's the Nutty Buddy. So, he is my favorite Nutty Buddy. Slime is finally adding child. Bro, child abuse has always been a thing. It wasn't just I just added it. It's always been there. Literally always been there. Child abuse has always been here, man. It's always been here. Literally always been here. I don't know what you're talking about. It's always been here. Always. From the very beginning. Always been here. Okay, what do I plan on doing here? Fuck. So add child. So I want to make it so when I add child, I want to make all the nodes a children of that chunk node. That way, instead of having to loop through and delete every single node manually, I just want to delete the chunk node. And then if I delete the parent, all the children will die along with it. You know, programming has some very interesting, like, terminology. Like, if you weren't a programmer and knew nothing about programming, you joined my stream and you hear, I'm gonna kill the parent, and all the children would die with it. That would be very interesting, I'll say the least. Very interesting, I'll say that. Var chunk work. Chunker. I'll just name this Chunker, I guess. Chunker. Oh, man. I'm gonna go get a sweater real quick. I think I'm gonna go get a sweater. Because right now, I'm literally in shorts. It is snowing where I'm at. And I'm still wearing shorts right now. I am going to go get, like, a sweater or something. Because, I'm kind of cold. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna be right back. Why have you stopped reading my messages? Okay, I'll be honest. My brain kind of subconsciously filters out messages. Like, I read messages that I'm gonna be real. Some of the things you say are a little bit nonsensical, Garrett. I'm not skipping your messages on purpose. It's just that, like, my mind, like, it's starting to do pattern recognition. You know how the brain has pattern recognition, right? You know how the brain has pattern recognition? That's literally me. My brain subconsciously kind of, like, pattern recognizes the chat and reads, like, messages that my brain thinks are more important. Because I've read so many of your messages, Garrett. Half of the time, I don't even understand what your message says. I mean, I'm not doing it on purpose, though. If you want me to read your messages more, I can try. I'll put in a conscious effort to read your messages more, Garrett. I'll make sure to read your messages more. The first thing a new viewer complain about clickbait. You have a red... You know what? I'll bring back the red slime. Is that what you want? You want me to come back to life? I'll come back to life. Okay. I'll come back to life. I'm no longer dead. Also, I'm gonna go get a sweater real quick. I'm kind of cold. I don't want to freeze to death or be sick. I'm gonna be back real quick. I'll see you guys in a sec. Tax fraud involves intentionally deceiving tax authorities to reduce tax liability. I know what tax evasion is. I know what tax fraud is. So you are ignoring me on accident. That's impossible. You probably read the message above me incorrectly, not Nutty Buddy message. You mean the tax fraud thing? Does tax fraud include creating a charity and saying you donated money, but you siphon the money back to you and deduct the amount you donated from the taxes? That sounds very specific. It feels like a lot of charity actually do that. You guys like professional like charity scammers? I feel like you guys are professional charity scammers. Anyways, I'm kind of tired because I ran through the stairs in my house. You know, I'm so unfit. Walking up the stairs makes me out of breath. So, Chunker. Will this work? I don't know if this actually works. I'll test to see if this works, but who knows? Chunker dot add child. Yes. Yes. It gets you nowhere though, because you're literally just rotating money. I don't scam. I relocate capital of unwilling owners. You gotta change it into willing, you know? Okay, the thing is about scamming is that you have to trick them into wanting to give you money. If you scam them, they will be dissatisfied with the end result. But you have to trick them in a way that makes it so they will willingly and happily give you money. And that is when I introduce to you the Catholic Church. Christian, followers of the Lord in Jesus, they are very willing to give money, you know. That's all I'm saying. Very, very willing to give money. That's all I'll say. That's probably very offensive to, like, Christian people. I meant that as a joke, by the way. Because, like, you know, memes and stuff. Literally, when I was playing Blood West, I don't know if some of you guys were there for Blood West stream, but I was playing Blood West. There was this priest character that said, "Pay me to remove your sins" or something. I said, "You are ignoring me. Not you." Okay, to be fair, my brain is kind of dead right now. My brain is kind of fucking dead, so I don't know. You are ignoring. I don't know what you're saying, Max. I was there. Yeah, I know. Nutty Buddy and Battle Tommy was introduced to my channel through my Blood West stream, you know. Surprisingly, people joined me on Blood West. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Let's see if this works or not. Oh, this does not work. Okay. Creature. Instance null. Okay, where's my creature function here? Creature, there we go. Okay, .. slash. One more .. slash. Okay. I tricked you. I joined you on the Portal 2 stream, yes. I think I played Blood West before Portal 2. So you joined after Nutty Buddy and the others. Yes. Government agent. Sir, Las Vegas is on fire. The stock markets are crashing. What do we do? The president. Let's ban TikTok instead of doing what needs to be done. Yeah, I don't get the point of banning TikTok. Like, I saw, okay, I don't know how true this is because we all know that the internet is full of misinformation because, yeah, people lie on the internet. But I saw people saying that instead of using TikTok, people are moving to another Chinese social media site that literally is directly owned by China or something. So they're moving from one Chinese spyware to another Chinese spyware. I don't know what's going on for sure, but that does sound like what's happening. But paying to remove your sins was an actual practice by the Catholic Church in medieval times, which was one of the reasons why Martin Luther split from the church. And that's exactly why I said the meme. Half of the retards here make their incomes off of TikTok. Yay, more homeless? I feel like they're just gonna move to another platform. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I feel like banning TikTok is a bad idea. Like, I don't think you should ban TikTok. Like, I guess sure, whatever. I mean, don't get me wrong. I don't like TikTok. I don't use TikTok. But banning TikTok just makes people like unhappy, you know? If you're happy and you know it, clap some cheek. Oh, I don't clap cheeks in general. I only use Bilibili with VPN to illegally watch anime and K-dramas. I go on Bilibili and I don't understand the fucking thing that is on that site because I don't speak Japanese or Chinese. I don't know what language it is. Most of the things on there aren't English. And I do not know what the hell I'm talking about, so... Anyways, this should work now, I think. Theoretically, this should work, I think. Oh, I'm in the world. Wait a second. I'm in the world. Okay. This is promising. This might, you know, I don't know for sure, but this might actually work. You know? This might actually work. Now I just need to work on, dynamically loading and deloading chunks now. I just gotta work on loading and deloading chunks. That's what I gotta work on now. Dynamically loading and deloading chunks. Also, you guys can't see this at all. Anyways, I'm gonna test my thing for a bit real quick. Is this 3 chunks? This feels like 1 chunk. Let me get my player position right now. So where am I? I am at... let me see the player position real quick. So this is okay. I'm at 708 right now. 708. Let me move a bit. 708. I'm testing this. You guys can't see right now, but I am testing this game real quick. 708. I was at 708. 708, and then I'm gonna move over here. Is that 3 chunks? 708. Okay, what's 708 minus 480? I'm too lazy to do the math. So I'm just gonna do a calculator. Do that. Okay, fucking hell. Why is Microsoft Bing so ass? Bro, I want to get calculator. Divided by 80. That should be 2. Yeah, it's about 3 chunks. Wait, why is it less than 3 chunks though? Why is it less than 3 chunks? Wait. Is that 3 chunks? It should be about 3 chunks, right? 480. That makes no sense. Wait. It should be 3 chunks. I was right here. I ran all the way. That should be 3 chunks. Why is that less than 3 chunks? Why is that less than 3 chunks? Wait, what? What the fuck? Why is that? Okay, 228 divided by 3. Divide by 80, I mean. Divide by 80. That should be 3. Why is that less than 3? I ran from one edge to another edge. It should be more than 3, in fact. It should literally be more... Wait. Actually, okay, let me check, actually. Let me draw. So this is here. This is 1 chunk. This is 1 chunk. This is another chunk. Okay, I see it now. I see it. Okay, that makes sense. I was stupid. That makes sense. I was stupid. That does indeed make sense. I was stupid. Why is Garrett speaking in another language? Can someone Google Translate for me again? Give the player a dick? Maybe, you know, theoretically, I could make sex scenes in this game. I could make this an NSFW game. This could be, I could change the genre of the game and make this an open world sex game. An open world NSFW game where you find animals to fuck and breed with. Theoretically, I could do anything. Game development is a whole wide world. I can do anything. I have the power of creation in my hands. I have literally the power of creation in my hand. I'm like a god of game. Well, not of game, but I'm like a god to this game. I can make anything I want. The Nutty Buddy is the only one required to read Nutty Buddy, can you tell me what Garrett said? Can you tell me what Garrett said? I want to know. Can you tell me, please? Please tell me. I want to know. Please tell me. Anyways, I'm gonna get Chung here. Chunk and chunk.qfree.q free. It should free the chunk. Alright. Alright, that should queue that should release the chunk, I think. That should release the chunk. Okay. Var player dot cur chunk. Cur chunk means the player's current chunk. Vector 2. You are missing the voice? Is there a comment to your video? What are you guys talking about? Are you talking about what Garrett said? What did Garrett say? Someone translate for me. I want to know. What the fuck did Garrett say? Okay. Okay, let me figure out how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I think I'm gonna use a process function. Process. Func process. This is gonna run every frame, I think. Gonna run every frame. Player.current function. Yeah, it's not even close to being done yet. Gare is actually making me tempted to translate his message because I don't know what he says and everyone's talking about it and I don't know what it is. Player cur chunk equals cur chunk equals player get player chunk. Get player chunk. Okay, so this gets the current player chunk. And when the current player chunk get player chunk. If get player chunk is different than current player chunk, not equal to player current chunk, then player cur chunk equals get player chunk. Var cur chunk equals get player chunk. Cur chunk. I want to reduce the amount of function calls I do, so that's why I used a variable here. Foil got an actual decent amount of subs. Are you guys comparing each other's channels? You guys actually are. Some of you guys are actually doing pretty well for yourselves. You know, some of you guys get more views than me. You know, some of you guys get more views than me. That's pretty impressive. You know, I've been making YouTube videos for like what, 4 years, 5 years? How long have I been making YouTube videos for? By the way, let me check. What is my oldest video? My oldest video is from 4 years ago. 4 fucking years ago. Wow. 4 fucking years ago. Okay, that is interesting. I have actually made more YouTube videos back, like way back then, but I deleted a lot of my older videos. I deleted a lot of my like 6 year. I used to make. I think like 6 years ago I made YouTube videos. 6 or 7 years ago or something. But I deleted a bunch of those videos because they were really cringe. Also, I saw that Remna has about 50 subscribers. I know some of you guys actually make videos, really good videos, better videos than mine. So that's definitely something, you know. If once we do this, deload world. Let me deload world. Deload world. Reload world, actually. Reload world and reload world. Deload. Wait, this is deload chunk. Deload chunk. And I'm gonna create deload world to be something different here. Deload world. Deload world. Okay, this will do that. Slime should do every stream for 420 minutes. How long is 420 minutes? Wait, let me do some quick maths. 420 divided by 60. You want me to stream for 7 hours? Do you really want me? Nutty buddy, you won't even be here for 7 hours. You do realize you go to sleep when I end streams, right? If I do a 7-hour stream, you're gonna leave and go to sleep halfway into the stream. You do realize that, right, Nutty buddy? You do realize that, right? You're gonna go to sleep. Bro failed elementary. Listen, I just don't want to use my brain, okay? I'm just trying not to use my brain. A zombie was running a yard sale. People said it was a dead giveaway. I still need ideas on what to add next. I doubt that, Garrett. I doubt that. I think that's lies. I'm calling cap. I'm calling cap. I do think that you go to sleep. I am calling cap, bro. I'm calling cap. Okay, I'm calling cap. I'm calling cap. Deload world here. I'm gonna deload and then reload. I'm gonna reload and then deload, I think. Okay, for this, wait, reload world, load chunk, what was I gonna do here? Fuck. If, wait, var world chunk equals, I'm gonna set this to this. I'm gonna set this to this world chunk. If world chunk dot is loaded equals false, then we load. If loaded is already true, then I don't need to load it again, basically. If is loaded is true, then I don't need to load again. Sleep is for the weak. I always watch the rest of the streams. I didn't manage to. Really? Why do you do that? Why? I thought that people only watch me when I'm live. Do you actually watch my videos when I'm not live? Like, do you watch my streams when I'm not live? Do you watch do you finish the rest of my stream when I'm like, what was it called? Do you what the hell? What in the fucking world? I'm just gonna quickly delete this. I'm just gonna comment this out real quick. Toggle comment, because my thing is, I have a pretty long commute. I'm curious. Do you watch my other videos, by the way? I'm curious. Do you watch my, other videos I post on YouTube? Do you watch like my free indie games videos and stuff? Because I'm curious. I feel like nobody actually watches those videos. More people watch my streams than my actual videos. I'm curious to know, do people watch my indie game videos? Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you finish the videos? Because I'm looking at my YouTube analytics, and apparently only like 0% people make it to the end of the video. So I don't know if people actually finish the videos. Do you actually finish the videos, or do you just like click on them for like 1 minute and then click off? Because, you know, if you don't have to watch it, I'm just curious. I want to know, because I want to know my audience, you know. I'm not very good YouTuber. I want to know my audience. You sheep, I gorbled your balls. I want to know, do people finish my videos? Garrett says I do. But statistically wise, statistics are saying differently. So I'm not 100% sure, you know. I am curious to know if people actually watch me or not. Most of the time, I did not watch the sheep video to the end, but the rest I watched. I mean, I'm not saying that you have to or anything. I'm just curious to know, you know? I'm curious to know because, my usual videos don't perform as well as my streams for some reason. For some reason, my streams actually, on average, get more views than my normal videos. Which is, you know, a little bit weird. I mean, I don't really care or anything, but that is a little weird. Do the statistics include your stream VODs? Yes, I do have statistics for stream VODs as well. I don't really check my stream VOD statistics, because for streams I don't put in as much effort. For videos, I put a lot of effort. Believe it or not, I spend hours editing my videos. I don't really particularly care about views that much because I'm kind of used to not getting views, but I do put a lot of fucking time into editing my videos. Why did you not? I did. Oh, me and Nutty Buddy found out a while ago that we can type in live chat after the stream. How long can you type in live chat after it's over? Because I know that eventually goes away, right? What does a worm and the Eiffel Tower have in common? They're both Paris sites. Give me a second, dear. Give me a second. Can we, That's my reaction to Foil's joke just now. That's my honest reaction. Yeah, that's my... Why is there an ultimate gay test ad? I don't know what the hell is going on, but alright. If the video stops, but if you deactivate autoplay, it works until you die. Interesting. I see. But when you click off of the video, does it eventually go away? Feels like it eventually goes away, though. I'm not sure, though. I'm not sure. Anyways. The gay test is probably a scam. I don't know. I'm trying to work on game dev right now. Okay, I'm trying to work on game dev right now. Okay, how do I want to do this? Okay, how do I deload world? For this, I'm probably going to follow a similar process. I'm going to do for 5 and 5. For 5 and 5. For 5 and 5, player -2, player chunk, var player chunk dot player dot get chunk. This is gonna be the same thing but -2 this time. -2. I also gotta add an additional requirement. If, okay. So basically, what I'm trying to do right now is, let me get the drawing pad out. So basically, I'm trying to deload 5 by 5 right now. So this is 5 chunks by 5 chunks. This is 5 by 5. What I'm trying to do is only deload the outsides. I'm only trying to deload the outsides. I need to come up with an if statement where I need to avoid the insides. It goes away when you close the stream. Yeah, that's what I thought. The gay test told me Slime's a gay furry with a BDSM fetish. I don't know, man. That doesn't feel trustworthy, man. I don't know if that's trustworthy. I'm gonna be real. I don't feel like that's trustworthy. I mean, it could just be like just me. I don't know. It could be that I'm untrusting, but who knows? Okay. How do I want to do this? Okay, I want to deload world. So I'm gonna have to deload. Should I deload and just reload afterwards? I could just reload afterwards. I could just do that, but that would kind of that does lower performance though. And I don't feel like doing anything that lowers performance, so I don't like that. Slime, will you do a face reveal at 50? You know, if I ever get 50 trillion subscribers, yes, I will do a face reveal and disappoint every single one of my subscribers, you know. I don't know why people like doing face reveals, because what if the person that you like, what if you're like the person streaming just is ugly, you know? Like, a lot of face reveal people don't look bad, but like, what if the person is ugly, like me? What if I do a face reveal and everyone's like, and I'm like, I'm sad, you know? You know, so I don't intend to do a face reveal, but you know, if 50 trillion subscribers, I bet I could do a face reveal. You know, at 50 trillion subscribers, I would. If I had 50 trillion subscribers, I would probably be like a millionaire at least. I knew the Swedish Playboy model was right. What? What Swedish Playboy model theory are you talking about? What are you talking about, Nutty Buddy? What the hell are you talking about? Okay, I gotta figure this out. If player.chunk, okay, let me just copy this as well. If this and this is greater, if this plus this is greater than okay, I'm thinking so fucking hard right now. If this is less than player.position -1, I think. I am literally trying to rack my brain to make sure this works right now. I'm racking my fucking brains out. Okay. -1. Foil made Doom and Scratch, and I am quite wait, what? Foil? Did he? I gotta see this. Foil recreate a game in Scratch. Made fucking Doom? He has 100 video. What the hell? Foil actually makes banger content. Why does this man make better content than me? Hollow Knight beaten in 2 minutes 15 seconds. Why does Foil make good videos? Wait. I gotta see this. What? Foil be making banger content, huh? Foil could actually probably just take over my channel, honestly. He actually makes Blender animations. The animations look kind of smooth, too. What the hell? Why is Foil so based? This man is based. He made a parkour game in Unity. Bro's a better game dev than me. Who knew? Holy shit. I got Foil, bro. Foil. God damn, bro. God damn, I must say. God damn. Anyways. I'm gonna continue this as well. This is less than that and greater than. Fuck. I'm trying to think so hard right now, but my brain just won't work. My brain refuses to work. right now, I swear to God. Being sleep deprived and trying to game dev is so fucking hard. Trying to game dev while sleep deprived just never works out, I'm telling you. Hello, Mr. Zach Cowardly. Oh, look, the tomato is wearing a tuxedo today. Yes, I'm feeling quite fancy today. I'm feeling quite fancy, I must say. So I'm wearing a tuxedo. Oh, look. Also, hope you're having a good day, Mr. Zach Cowardly. Hope you're having a good day, and welcome to the stream. If I go into the participants list, it says only I and Slime are watching. But the viewer count says 8 viewers. I think YouTube should fix that. I think the participants only count people who are in the chat and are active in the chat. I don't think it counts people who are like aren't active, you know? I don't think it counts people who aren't active. That's why. Hello, do you think I can become purple? I can change my skin color. I can change my skin color. I'm a slime. I can change my color. So if you guys ever have any requests for a specific color, I can change my color for you guys. I can change my color. If you guys ever want a specific color, I can change it. Let me know, and I shall do it. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what the logic is for this. Let me see here. Plus Y. I feel like I did not do this correctly. Turn into an eggplant? Okay, I'll turn purple then. I'll turn purple. Let me bring myself to normal first of all, because earlier I turned myself into a ghost by making myself transparent. I made myself transparent earlier because people wanted to see me like a ghost. They wanted to see me like a ghost. Wanted to see me like a ghost. Slime, make the clip compilation video the cum slime. No cum slime here, okay? No cum slime. Okay, let's see purple. Why am I so saturated? What? Why am I so goddamn saturated? Let me put this at 0. I gotta fix this real quick. Holy hell. I am messing up my colors right now. I am messing up my colors. I turned myself pink. I turned myself pink just now. Where is the hue shift? There it is. Where is purple? Is that purple? I'm kind of color. Is this purple? Guys, is this purple? Is this purple? This is purple, right? This is purple, right? This is purple, right? You guys, this is purple, right? If it ain't the cum slime, it is the milk slime. And this would confirms this is blue? Do you want me to turn blue or do you think this is blue? Okay, is this purple? Okay. Purple. 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 I gotta get a nice purple. Is this pink? This is pink. Is this purple? This is purple. Is this pink? Or is this purple or pink? Purple is kind of a hard color to do, honestly. Purple is kind of a hard color to do because purple is literally just pink and blue. It's literally just a mixture of pink and blue. Now it is purple. Okay, that's purple. That is purple. I am now purple in a tuxedo suit. I am a purple tuxedo suit. I don't know why you're saying I'm purple enough to fuck. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, my man? What are you talking about? Anyways, oh wait, okay, I think I'm gonna do this. If anyway, if wait, I think I'm gonna redo this statement. I think I'm gonna redo that statement. If one. Okay, how do I ensure if not, I'm gonna do an if not statement. If this is not, if this is less greater than player chunk dot if player position, wait, I'm thinking right now. I'm thinking so hard. My brain feels like it's melting. I'm sleep deprived right now, so doing game dev is just so hard. Let me get the player position. Get current chunk. Player cur chunk. Cur chunk. Is player cur chunk a vector too? Get play. You know what? I'm just gonna screw it. Just say screw it. I'm gonna screw it. I'm just gonna do this. Just let me delete all this real quick. Delete all that. Delete all this. Okay. Delete all that. Staying alive. What are you guys singing? Is that a reference to something I'm not getting? I don't know if that's a reference or not because I have no clue what is happening. But all right. Okay. Okay, this is gonna load. Actually, I'm not gonna load. I'm gonna free instead. I'm gonna free the chunk. World chunk. I'm not gonna load chunk. I'm gonna deload chunk. I'm gonna deload chunk. If is loaded equals true, I'm gonna deload it. If the chunk is loaded, I'm gonna deload. It's a Biggie's song. Would you ban Garrett if he said the N-word? I mean, probably. I don't know, man. I don't know. Probably. You guys please don't say the N-word in my chat. I don't particularly care or anything, but I would rather not be banned by YouTube, you know? I don't want to get in trouble if my YouTuber viewers were to say anything naughty. So please don't say anything bad, you know? Just for my sake, you know? Don't get me banned. Don't get me banned by saying anything. Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk him. Walk. Was that a spelling mistake? I use my walk. I'm a woman's man. No need to talk. Slime's color is. I don't know what color I am, honestly. I don't know the RGB number. Anyways, I'm just trying to figure this out right now. You guys are distracting me. Okay, I am actually coding on hard mode right now because I'm sleep deprived. I literally woke up at like 6:30. It's been like way too many hours. I'm tired. I'm sleep deprived. My chat is distracting me. Believe it when I say it. It's harder to do something when you're streaming because you get distracted by chat a lot. So it's I'm doing this on hardcore mode. I'm literally doing hardcore programming. Because everything is just trying to kill me right now. Like the chat is trying to kill me. The fucking boogeyman under my table is trying to kill me right now. Okay, so this deloads chunks. This deloads all the chunks. Let's see if this works or not. I don't know. Honestly, do not know if this will work. Toggle comment. I do not know if this is gonna work or not. No clue if this will work or not. Okay. Every time I move, every single chunk. Oh god. Oh god. Oh fuck. Okay, I don't know if this works or not. I always wake up at 6:30 for school and you say you're sleep deprived. I get like 5 hours of sleep a night, okay? I get like 5 hours of sleep a night, okay? I go to bed. I have a very bad sleep schedule, okay? I have a very bad sleep schedule. Godot does queue free delete child nodes. Does queue free delete child nodes? Does queue free in Godot remove all child nodes? Okay, I'm just gonna do for children and dot get children then. Manual. Is there a way to automatically remove all child nodes, including the node, easily without a for loop? I want a refund on the education system. Why do students? Yeah, I don't get why we have to wake up that early, bro. Like, students should not have to wake up so fucking early in the morning. If I go to bed now, I have 7 hours until I wake up. You should probably go to bed, man. You should probably go to bed. I mean, it's up to you, though. Okay, I think I will go to bed now and sleep. Good night, everyone. Have a good night, Nutty Buddy. I appreciate you coming, bro. I appreciate you coming. Have a good day. Or good night, I should say. Anyways. Yeah, call the turd. Q free. Schedules to be called later in a frame. Okay. Let me. Why do I have a group here? What is this group? Ungroup. Okay. I'm gonna open google.com. Night Nutty. That actually sounds Night Nutty. I see. I see. Godot, remove node and all children. Does Q free remove all the children? I'm curious. Hmm. Uh, huh. Huh. You should convert stress to energy. A single school would have enough energy to power the entire city of Las Vegas. You would probably be able to get infinite energy. I'm gonna be real. You would have infinite energy. Infinite energy. Deload chunk. Call deterred. Will this work? Call deferred. Oh dear Lord. Oh dear Lord. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh fucking hell. What is happening? Okay, I need to figure out what is going on. What is happening? Chunker.add children. Huh. Oh wait, am I using I don't think I'm using this correctly. Deload chunk. World chunk. Yeah, okay, I'm using my deload function incorrectly. Okay, I'm using my deload function incorrectly. Let me try doing this correctly then. Let me try doing this correctly. World chunk. Okay, let me figure this out. Let me figure this. I need to use world. World chunk. Wait, world chunk. Wait, it is. Wait. Fuck. Okay. I don't know how this works, man. Deload. This doesn't kill the children for some reason. That sounds really bad, but I need to kill the children. Because for some reason, I'm getting... Also, I don't know why, but my process function isn't working as well. I need to configure out this process function. Get player position. Okay, what is... print per chunk plus get player chunk. Let me do that. Okay, let me go to player. I'm gonna remove the print position. I need to figure out, I'm bug fixing right now. Bug fixing once again. Okay, what is the issue here? Operand. Okay, get player chunk. Can I do that? Get player chunk. Get player chunk. Oh, why is that? Oh. Oh dear. Oh dear Lord. Is that the problem? Vector 2. Okay. How do I make a vector 2 of only integers? Godot vector 2 of ints. Oh dear, that's the problem. Is there a way to make a vector 2 of only ints? Oh, okay, I can just use int. I can use int to convert it into an integer value. Okay, I can convert this to an integer value. This entire time, I've been assuming that they were They were floats. That was a bad idea. These are integers, not floats. That was a very, very bad idea because I've been considering these as integers the entire time. Okay, that's not good. I think I may have fucked this up. Now I don't know what I'm doing in my code. Get player chunk. Cur chunk. Wait, cur chunk. Player cur chunk is a vector 2. Player cur chunk. Alright, but have a good day, Foil. I'm just gonna do some bug fixing here. If you wanna leave, have a good day, man. Have a good day. I appreciate you joining, man. I appreciate you guys joining. Okay, I don't understand. My code is getting long, and I'm starting to not understand anymore. Let me figure this out. Print cur chunk. Let me print cur chunk, and then let me print get player chunk. Indent in array. What? I am so confused. Okay. Okay, let me, see here, I guess. In access of... What in the world is happening? Oh my god. Okay, I'm starting to get really confused now. Okay. This needs to be an integer. This needs to be an integer. This definitely needs to be an integer. This needs to be an integer. This needs to be an integer. And I can remove this, hopefully. Get player position. Okay. So, chunk position should return an integer value. Should return integer by integer. Let me see if this works or not. Oh my god, now nothing's working. I somehow messed this up so badly that this no longer works. What is happening? What is happening? How the hell did I mess it up this badly? Okay, so in theory, my chunking system should work, but I didn't work because I messed it up somehow. Okay, okay, you know, I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna, lowercase toggle comment. Okay, I'm gonna get player chunk. Wait, actually, I'm gonna just put this back. The reason why this is running right now is because it's not an integer value. I need it to be an integer value. Float vector 2 for ints. Is there a vector 2 for ints? Godot. How to make vector 2 of... I guess I could just do an array. An array of value, array with 2. You cannot. Integer vectors will be available in 4.0. Okay, I gotta figure this out. Because I want to do chunk numbers. The coordinate of the chunk. This should be an int. This should definitely be an integer value. It should be returning the integer value. Int. This should return an int. This puts the player position in. Vector 2 position.x position Okay, so this is a vector 2. It goes in here. Dot x dot y. Set position. Okay, I'm starting to get fumbled now because there are so many things to keep track of now. There are so many different things. Actually, there's an error. Let me actually click on the error, see where the error is. There is an error here. Let me figure out what the error is. Spawn player. For some reason, now there's a spawn player error. Get player chunk. I have an error with get player chunk now. What? There shouldn't be an error at get player chunk. Spawn player. Index 24. Invalid index. Where is the issue? Is this the issue? Over here? Okay. If world chunk x dot chunk y. I completely forgot what this code does. So if you should probably break it up into multiple files. That does sound like a good idea, but this is just the world gen in general. It makes sense for everything to be in this file because, okay, I'm gonna get rid of the load chunk because that I got that working. This works, I think. I think my load chunk function works. Okay, so this is the issue. Is it specifically the if statement? Let me just run this. Okay, what is the issue? So chunk.x. What is chunk again? I forgot. Chunk is chunk position of the spawn position. Chunk.x. Spawn position. Okay, let me see the chunk position. There shouldn't be anything wrong with my chunk function, right? It converts this to an integer. Position. Yeah, let me check this. Print chunk position. That should tell me what the error is or something, right? Let me see what that prints out. Does that even print anything? It didn't even print anything. Okay. Fuck. Okay. Now my brain is starting to melt down now. I was doing so well too. I was doing so well. The issue is that my vector 2 is created by floats, and I'm not trying to use float. I'm trying to use integers because I have an array of array, and that's an integer. Chunk x equals chunk position of the spawn position. Spawn position is a random range of 0 to 79. Okay, so let's just create a random value. I gotta do some testing. Let's say that this spawn pause is 24 and 99. 99 divided by 80 should be 1 or something. 1 point something. Wait, does int round up or down? Wait, Godot, does int round up or down? Oh, wait. In Godot, if I do int float value, does it round up or down? Because I need it to round down. Okay, so it always rounds down then. So what is the issue then? What is the fucking issue? I still don't understand what the issue is here. Because that would be 99 divided by 80 would end up being 1 due to int. Spawn position. And then chunk.x. And then tile. I swear to God, this was working earlier, and suddenly it doesn't work anymore. I literally went from working to not working. This is a mess, man. This is a mess. Invalid index 28. Why would I have chunk 28? What is going on? Okay, say world X right now. World X is the maximum is 10. Let's say 790. Let's say I happen to pick the maximum value. Calendar. So 790. Let's just say 790. 790. Let's just say 790. And I put it into the chunk position. I don't get how they got. Divide that by 80. Let's divide this by 80. Okay, 790 divided by 80. Divide by 80. That should be at most 9. That should be 9. That shouldn't even be over 10. Why is it returning a value that's greater than 10? It should not be 10. Legitimately, that should not be 10. So why are you giving me a value that is greater than 10? Okay, let me just do this. Let me comment this. Toggle comment. My thing isn't even loading anymore. Every time I run the file, it just crashes. So I need to figure it out. Invalid access of how did I get index 25? Where did you get index 25 from? And if okay, let me try removing int again. Is the issue int? I think the issue might be int for some reason. I swear to God, if I remove int and it works. Bro, I removed int and it worked. Why does turning it into an integer crash the game? Print chunk position. I gotta see this, man. I gotta see this. Why does turning into an int? I don't know why turning it into an integer makes it suddenly not work. I don't know. Why does it not work if I turn it into an integer? Why does it not work? I am baffled right now. I am so baffled. This should not be like this. Okay, you know what? Print dot. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna print it again, but this time I'm gonna turn it into an integer. Vector 2. Vector 2 dot x chunk pos dot y, and then I'm gonna convert this to an integer though. I'm gonna convert this to an integer. Integer. I want to see what the program is doing to my code. It trunicates it, which probably breaks a function. Okay, literally it works. It returns this. I do not know why it is. It is doing literally what I told it to do. So it does this. Let me try this. Will this give me a crashing error? So this returns an integer value. Why does returning an integer value crash it? I don't get it. Literally, I don't get it. What in the world? Why? What? How? I swear to God, I am baffled. Wait, how can I even... Wait, if I put a float value into an array... Godot, if I put a float value into an array, what does it do? It won't turn 3.144 into 3. Wait, is that why my thing isn't working properly? Because it's... Oh my God. I did not know that. I literally thought arrays were only used with integers. God fucking damn it. Now I'm starting to get brain confused. Okay, how do I get this to work again? And how do I get this to not crash? World chunk tiles dot spawn position. Okay, you know what? Should I just do this as an array instead of a vector too? Okay, I'm gonna just make this an array. Screw. I'm gonna make this an array instead of a vector too. Player current chunk. Play current chunk. Player cur chunk. I'm gonna make this an array instead. I'm gonna make this an array with two functions. Equals But using an array is so annoying. What? Okay. I could change because I already set up everything as a vector or whatever. As a vector 2, it would be really annoying. Why does it not work though? Why is it turning this into an integer not work? Print chunk.x. Print chunk.y. I just don't get why it doesn't work. I just don't get it. I just don't get it, man. Chunk.x and chunk.y. I gotta say, this is one of my worst bugs yet. I have encountered bugs before while working on this game. I gotta say, this is the worst one so far. This is the most confusing one. And it's the most tough to solve, I think. It's gonna be the toughest to solve. This is not going to be easy, is it? Spawn player. Spawn player. We're gonna... Okay, I want to run with integers. Why does it not work with integers? I don't get it. I want it to work with integers, but it won't work with integers. Why don't you work with integers? Why? I swear to God, I'm gonna rage. I'm gonna fucking rage quit. I'm not actually. I want to get through this. I have fixed a lot of things before. I'm not gonna rage quit here. This is not the day that I'm going to rage quit. Why is... Okay. The integer value here is showing up as 7 and 1. There is no reason, absolutely no reason why it should be giving an error. Where does the error part even come from? Oh my fucking God. Okay, I see where the issue part. It's the 80 part, isn't it? It's the 80 part. Oh, I see. It's the error part. Okay. Okay. Wait, no. What? Even so, it shouldn't. I'm gonna make it return int again. Int. Wait. What if I do int here? Int. It runs. Why did that run? Int. Let's try int this here. Let's try int here. Something was crashing the code. If I do ints in here, will that crash? If this crashes, then I'll know where the solution is, where the problem is. Int. I'm gonna do int here. Int. And then int here. Int. Okay. Let's see what the problem is. Okay, the problem comes from turning this second part into an integer. Why does turning that part specifically crash the game? Func convert float to int. Value float int return. I know how to convert a float to an int. It's crashing the game for some reason. This part specifically is crashing it. I don't know why. Spawn position times x times this. I don't know why this is crashing it specifically. This part is specifically crashing it. This part is specifically crashing it. I don't know why. Trying to figure out why this is specifically crashing it. There's no reason why it should be crashing. So this first part works. I can do the first two parts can be integers. That works. So let me actually just do this. 80, let's say 80 times, let's say it's 7 or something. 7 is something that showed up earlier. So 80 times 7. What is 80 times 7 real quick? I'm just going to use a calculator because I'm kind of brain dead right now. 80 times 7. 560. 560. Spawn position dot x minus... Yeah, I'm just going to just print this out. I'm going to print this out. See what it shows me. Print dot int. Why would that crash? Okay, let's see what that shows up. What does that show? That shows 51, 11, and 38. There is no reason why that should crash. So why does it crash? Oh, wait. Wait, let's try something else here. Let me check the rest of my code. Maybe my tiles. Something's wrong with my tiles, maybe. For tiles, tiles, so this creates 10 by 10. This appends into the array. So you say I can use a float to access an array, right? What? What? I literally... Huh? I literally asked earlier. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. Okay, I'm so dumb. I am so dumb. Now I'm just confused. I am just confused now. Man, this is one. Why is OBS disconnecting? What? I don't know why OBS just disconnected real quick. That was weird as shit. Slime being an idiot. Well, I still haven't figured out the solution yet. I just realized something dumb, but I haven't figured it out yet. I'm still an idiot. I haven't figured it out yet. I have not figured it out yet. So don't think that I figured it out. I have not figured it out yet. Let me try gen world for x in world row y chunk.instantiate int. I'm gonna set these to ints. Int x, int y. Is loaded equals false, append. So this should generate the world, right? This should generate the world. Yeah, that should generate the world. gen chunks, and then it should spawn the player. Since gen chunk works fine, the problem is in spawn player then. Why? I need to figure out why. Why does turning this, specifically this, like everything else work, but if I turn this specifically into an integer, everything crashes? Invalid index of 37? Why is that an invalid index though? Why is that an invalid index? Why? Why? I'm so confused. I'm actually so fucking confused. Print? Why is that an invalid index? Seriously, what makes this so different? I'm actually just confused. Why does this work? Why does this work? Oh, wait. Huh? Wait. Wait a second. Huh? Wait, sometimes I feel like I gain enlightenment and then I lose that enlightenment immediately. Okay, so these two are giving me very wildly different results for some reason. Okay, print chunk. What is chunk.x? What is chunk.x here? What is chunk.x? Chunk.x has a value of 4. 4.5 times 8. What is 4.5 times 8? And then wait, let me actually just... So this is the value of chunk.x here. This is the value of chunk.x. 4.8 times 80. Times 80. And then spawn position.x. Spawn position. Okay, let's say that the world is 5 or something. Let's say the world is 5. Yeah, say 80. Let's say the world spawn is 80. Actually, I just don't get it. What? Why is this 42? Why is the value so wildly different? Why are the values so wildly different? I think it's because you're storing the chunks in the indexes of their positions. But if it's trunicated, it's okay. I don't get why this is 4. Okay, I don't know. I'm just really confused right now. For some reason, the tiles are 10 by 10. Okay, I think I'm getting something wrong with this. Wait. Okay, give me a second to figure this out. 80 times... That's 40... Why is it 42 chunks, though? Wait, wait, my brain is kind of... So chunk x is 4. I'm gonna print the integer. Int value. I'm literally just printing everything because I need to see how everything is working here. I need to see everything. Everything needs to be seen. Everything needs to be seen here. So this turns into 4. This should be right. This becomes negative 0.0 for some reason. So it's 80 times 4. 80 times 4 here. Let's say 80 times 4. What is that? 80 times 4. 80 times 4, which is 320. Actually, let me print spawn position. So I don't have to calculate this every single time. Let's just print spawn position as well. Print spawn position. What is a spawn position? 300. 300 divided by 80 is 3.75. 3, and this is 0. Okay. Okay, these numbers are way too neat. I think I need a less neat number. Okay, 110. This gets me 30, and this gets me 0 for some reason. 1.375 chunk.x is 1. I am baffled, but you know what? I'll try figuring this out. I'll figure this out. I don't know if I'm gonna end the stream soon, but I'm gonna try to figure this out. Integer. So this is 1. This is 0. This is accessing 30. Why is this so different? Why is converting something so different? Okay, you know, I'm gonna let ChatGPT do the thinking for me. Why is it that when chunk.x, wait, what is the value of chunk.x? Chunk.x equals what? Why is it that when chunk.x equals 1.375, the first print statement gives me 1. Is it 1 or 0? 1. It gives me 0. While the second gives me 30. Why are the results so different? Then okay. 80. Okay. Okay. Chunk? I think I might have to rethink of my chunk formula. Chunk.x. I think I might have to rethink my chunk formula. So this is in the first chunk. Wait, 110 divided by 80. That's in the second chunk. That's in chunk 2, I would say. Let me draw this out. Sketch. I think I made an error in my draw online. Where's my draw online thing? Okay, let me draw online. Okay, that's really ugly. Okay, this is one chunk, this is chunk 2. This is like 110 here. This is 110. That's 110. How do I get the... So that's 80 times 1. Okay. What if I did int outside? I think I may have solved it. I think. Wait. Okay, so chunk times that. Chunk. Wait. Okay. Hey, I gotta rethink this. I definitely did the formula wrong. That's where the issue is. I did the formula wrong. So tiles times 80 times 80. This should theoretically work. In my head, you know, in my head this works. In my head, this works. In my head. It does not run. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. It does not work. I did not work. Invalid access. Okay, fantastic. That's exactly what I thought would happen. Wait, okay. This is times 8, right? That's times 8. This is times 8. 8 because this is spawn position. That's for each tile. And that's for... Okay, that still doesn't work. That still doesn't work. Okay, what is wrong though? At least I can actually see what's wrong in the debug. Invalid access of 1. Okay. So basically what I'm trying to figure out here is the position. Wait, what am I trying to figure out? Tiles. Okay, I'm not... Wait. I'm not trying to figure out the distance or anything. I'm just trying to figure out. Hey, wait. I gotta rethink this. I definitely have to rethink this. Definitely gotta rethink this. So based on a position, I need. Wait, isn't this just times 10? Wait, this is just times 10, isn't it? That's just times 10. Because I'm just figuring out the number of chunks. Wait, let me wait. Divide this by 8. Divide this by 8. Wait, okay, so divide spawn position. No, that does not work. Wait, world X. Huh? Oh, wait. Okay, so this is 10. Right now, I have to set the world to 10. I might have fucked over my entire. I don't know what. I think I was way too sleep deprived today. I am way too sleep deprived today. I will say, I think I'm way too sleep deprived today. Okay, let me spawn on a tile. I don't know where I got 79 from. I think I got it from like. Yeah, okay. Let me spawn times 80. Times 8 here. Times 8. Spawn position. Do that, and then times 8. Times 8. Times 8 outside. I'll do times 8 outside. This will give me the position. This inside will give me the tile value. This inside gives tile value. So this is the tile value. From the world, that's 10 chunks, yeah. And then each tile is 8. Okay, I feel like I'm getting closer towards the issue. I feel like I'm getting closer to solving this. Oh, I don't want to end the stream yet, because I feel like I'm so close. Okay, so spawn position has that. Chunk times 10. And then spawn position dot x divided by 8. This should be it? Should be? I said should be like so many times. But I didn't crash. Wait, I did not crash. I didn't crash. Wait, is this actually it? Is this actually it? Wait. Wait. Is this actually it? Wait, I didn't crash. Wait. Oh my god. Hi guys, it's me again. Don't end stream now. Itchmash, you just joined. But I swear to god, I spent the last hour trying to bug fix a single problem. I have no idea what was going on, bro. I am sleep deprived today. I didn't get that much sleep last night. And I ate like a really nice like lunch, so it made me sleepy. So I'm literally sleepy and trying to bug fix. Welcome to stream, Max. I hope you're having a good day. I was gonna end the stream soon, but just for you, I'm gonna stay here a little bit longer. Just for you, Max. I hope you're having a good day, man. Oh my god. Okay, at least the game doesn't crash now. What was I trying to do earlier? I don't even remember. Okay, so I think that the entire time I was trying to do this. This is what I was trying to do. The reason why I spent this entire time bug fixing was just so I could check this. Okay, let me check this real quick. If you haven't gone through an issue caused by a few lines, you're not a true developer. Oh, man. Okay. My game crashed again. Okay, fantastic. It seems that my game is not entirely good yet because my game crashed. Let me see. Should I do this by 10 chunks? 10 chunks. Uh, wait. So this is a wait. So this spawn. Wait. So so world is 10. I'm gonna do. Wait. World is 10. Uh. -8. -1. I'm gonna do -1 because there's a chance that I could spawn outside. So I'm gonna do -1 there. God, this is really confusing. Coding is so confusing, but it's just really satisfying. Well, it will work now because I joined. Itch Maxine is the holy grail. When he joins, everything will work. When he joins, it just suddenly works. It just suddenly works if he joins. He is the one thing that will make this work. Invalid index of 10. What do you mean 10? What? Okay, it only crashes sometimes. It doesn't crash all the time. It only crashes sometimes now. It only crashes sometimes. Yes. It only crashes sometimes. Yeah. What's 9 times 8, by the way? What's 9 times 8? 9 times 8. 9 times 8. What's 10 times 8? That's 80. Trust? You know what? I believe it. Itch Maxine is my holy grail. He is my holy grail, and he's the one thing that will help me from this fucking bug hell. Still going? Bro, I spent the last hour bug fixing. I legitimately spent the last hour bug fixing. And even now, I still haven't fixed the bug yet. I think I'm starting to get somewhere, but, I'm starting to get somewhere, but I'm still problem solving. But yes, I'm still going. Welcome back to the stream, Remni. Welcome back to the stream. I'm bug fixing. I'm locked in and tired. I'm tired but still locked in. I'm like in ultra instinct mode. My brain is on battery saver, only focusing on what's important, and that's this. Okay, I don't know why I was getting. Okay, let me see. I don't think it should. Oh fuck! Why did I spawn the ground? What the hell? What? Okay, the problem. Okay, why am I getting index 10? Why am I getting index 10 all of a sudden? Why am I getting index 10? It should not get index 10. Shouldn't do that. World. So my world value should be 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Anywhere from 99 to 8. If it does not work now, it's rigged. Very rigged. Yeah, it's rigged. It's rigged. I think I can feel the energy. I can feel. Yeah, I think I just need to do -8. I think. You think debugging sucks now? Wait until you have to start. Listen, I'm doing very simple anim. You want to see my animation? I don't know if I showed you it yet, but this is my animation. Amazing. I know how amazing that looked. You want to see this animation? The thing is about debugging coding is that it requires logic. And logic is hard because you have to think. When it comes to debugging listen, I haven't done debugging animation yet either. So I don't know how difficult it is, but like that's something you can kind of just brute force your way through. This you can't. This requires logic, and I'm not a very logical person, so I don't know. It just needs to be a bit faster. I can show you the game when it actually works. I'll show you how it looks in game when it actually works, you know. Let me try doing this again. Now, okay, -8 should cause it not to be out of bounds. I don't think it should be out of bounds now. I'm gonna, okay, fuck. I just had to jinx. I was like, oh, I don't think it's gonna be out of bounds. Oh, wait. Okay, the issue was in load. Okay, the issue was in the wrong place. The issue was in the wrong place. Where was the issue? Okay, what is the issue anyways? What is the issue? Okay, this returns the current chunk, and this returns the get player chunk. Okay, there is an issue in deload chunk. Let me actually just remove this real quick. Let me remove this. Let me just comment this out. Haha, that animation is titled Listen, you know, when you're spending a lot of time, like, coding and doing animation, sometimes you go a little bonkers and you gotta add a little bit of comedy in it. Also, okay, my game is kind of working. Okay, like the code isn't working, but the game is working. Let me show you guys my progress. I didn't add anything new today. All I did was working on like a system. So this is the deer in game, or the horse. This is supposed to be a horse, by the way. This thing's supposed to be a horse. It's quite fast. And I'm actually proud of the AI. I'm very proud of how the AI works. Because it runs away for a certain distance and then it stops running away later. Okay, why are you not stopping running away? You should stop running. I think the deer should stop running away eventually. Why is it not stopping? Where is the deer? It just kept running. What? Wait. Why do you just keep running? You should stop running eventually. My deer is perpetually running for some reason. Let me fix that. What? I thought it was supposed to be a horse when I first modeled it. When I first modeled it, it was supposed to be a horse. It's whatever. It's supposed to be a horse, you know. It was supposed to be a horse. Creature. Let me see my creature script. Why? Let me get player position. Let's do 50. The range is 50. This way it runs away only for a moderate distance. This way I can see if it actually works or not. It was supposed to be a horse, man. It was supposed to be a horse. Did you know I spent the last hour bug fixing and I still haven't solved the problem yet? Okay, this guy should run and stop running after a bit. Why you not stop running? Bro, this horse runs forever. What? It's supposed to Bro, I swear to God, I'm introducing more bugs into my code. Okay, there we go. It finally stopped running. Holy shit. I was like, why is it running for so long? How's your cheese? The cheese is not my concern right now. I'm not worried about the cheese. The cheese is not my main focus. I have, like, other problems. I have not added any items yet. I will add items eventually. I'll add items eventually. Is the cat's name... What cat? What cat? Anyways, I've been trying to figure out this bug fix, this system this entire time. Okay, right now I'm trying to create a system that loads and deloads chunks right now. I'm worried about the cheese. The cheese is still there, okay? Let the cheese marinate or whatever. You know, cheese is created by letting milk, like, age. You know that, right? Let the cheese age, okay? The cheese is fine. It's gonna get that fragrance if you let it age, you know? It's gonna age if you give it that it's gonna get that fragrance if you let it age. Let the cheese age. I'll deal with the cheese another time, you know? The cheese is unimportant. What is important is adding the core mechanics of the game, my game runs at 5 frames per second without any optimization. It runs at 5 frames per second. Like, not even joking. It runs at 5 frames per second. I can show you. Let me do load world. I think it's load world. I can show you that the frame rate is 5. You're a chef. I'm a chef. I know how... You're a chef. That's pretty cool. 5... Yeah, you know why? The thing is, there is over 1,000 deers. There are thousands of deers in my game. But the thing is, I randomly create my entire world. My world is 10,000 pixels big. 10,000, not pixels. 10,000 tiles. And inside those 10,000 tiles, there are a lot of deers. And the deers all have their AI. And I'm not, like, optimizing my game at all. Unoptimized... When my game is unoptimized, everything is loaded at once. If everything is loaded at once, it's gonna obviously drop the frame rate. Cheese is important to me. Yes, cheese is very good. I do like cheese. And I also like chefs as well. I hope you make good food, because I like good food. I'm sorry for what I'm about to say. Dick cheese. You should be sorry, H. Maxton. You should be sorry. How could you say such a thing? How could you say such a thing? I can't believe you would say such a thing. Can't believe you would say such a thing, man. Can't believe you would say such a vile thing. But anyways, okay, okay. If this is less than, okay, this should solve the bug problem that I introduced earlier. What if you made the horse AI dumber? I don't think it's, even if I made it dumber, I don't think it's gonna change anything because it runs a process for every single AI. It has like a process that runs every single frame. If you run the same thing every single frame for 1,000 times, every single frame, by the way, it's gonna drop the frame rate a lot. So it doesn't matter if it's dumb or smart. It's still just really bad. And don't forget the graphics as well. Even though the graphics isn't that good. Let me uncomment this. This should fix the issue. This should fix the issue, I think. It should fix the issue where I was getting crashes earlier. Wait, I'm getting another crash. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, I spawned inside of a dungeon. That's what happened. Okay. Okay, now I don't think I should get any, like, crashes. Theoretically, I don't think I should get any crashes. Okay, man, oh man. So many problems, bro. So many problems. Damn, spawning inside of a dungeon. Yeah, that is bad. I don't know why I spawned inside of a dungeon. That was weird. What? I spawned off the map. How? Bro, okay, there's definitely something wrong with my code because I spawned off the map somehow. Okay, something is definitely not correct. Something is definitely not correct. Let me see reload world. What is wrong with my reload world? Get player chunk. Something is wrong with my code. Something is very, very wrong with my code. Let me go back to the drawing board real quick. Okay. I swear to God, it was working before, like, for some reason, I make the spawn point randomized. I randomize the spawn point because that's the point of a roguelike, right? The point of a roguelike is you randomly generate your spawn point. And that's what I'm trying to do, is randomly generate my spawn point. I want to randomly generate it. Okay. So let me figure this out. So I want the player to be here. I want to generate a 3x3 chunks around the player, basically. Around the player, and I don't want to generate the entire world. Because loading the entire world in one place is really, really unperformance, like really unoptimized. And that's bad. Unoptimized, bad, you know. Unoptimized is very, very bad. So I want this to be optimized. So this should be chunk value. Get player chunk. This should be player chunk. It should get me player chunk. And this is player chunk -1. This should, theoretically, I feel like this is correct. Whoa, no, we are not playing tic-tac-toe. I'm trying to figure out the logic for my game, Yasil. It's harder than it looks, okay? Man. Okay, load chunk, world chunk. I choose upper left. Go, Yasil. What do you pick next? Okay, reload world should theoretically work, but it doesn't. For some reason, I spawn at the edge, down left. Okay, next move. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure this out in the meantime. So -1 plus x is greater than or equal to 0. Yeah, that should be it. Middle, right middle. Okay, okay, no matter how I see this going, it's going to be a stalemate. This is absolutely going to be a stalemate. No matter what you do, this is going to be a stalemate. This is literally going to be a stalemate no matter what. But what if the 9x9 would always be the same, like in Isaac or Enter the Dungeon? Like, this is an open world, so I want the spot. What do you mean by the 9? Oh, I'd prefer to have a random spawn. I want the spawn to kind of be like Minecraft, where it spawns you in a random place. So I'm gonna try to figure it out. I'm not gonna give up for this. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up on this. I'm gonna try not to give up, because if I give up now and more bugs come up, I'm gonna give up again, and I don't want to give up. I don't want to give up. So I'm gonna try to figure this out. Maybe the problem is actually this. What if the problem is this function right here? Let me just do this real quick. Yeah, I don't know why it's not spawning me at the center. Theoretically, it should be spawning me at the center, but it's not spawning me at the center. Oh, wait! Okay, no, I said oh wait real quick. Like, I said oh wait super dramatically, but then I was like, nope, that's not it. Why make the spawn random if the place you spawn in is already random? Because I don't want to spawn by the edge. I don't want to spawn by the edge is why. My game crashed. I'm still getting the error? Reload world. Why is it index 10 by 10? I thought I fixed that error. Oh, what? When did that come back? When did this come back? I could have sworn I removed that. Okay, apparently I didn't. Don't worry, you're gonna have to rewrite the entire code, and I hope I don't. I swear to God, if I have to rewrite my entire code, I might honestly just give up at that point, because I'm not a professional game dev. I might as well just restart or do something different, If I'm gonna have to rewrite my entire code. Hopefully I don't. Hopefully I don't. Up middle? Like I said, Yusel, it's just a stalemate. Literally nothing can be solved. It's a stalemate. It is a stalemate. Well, I have blackjack, so I win the tic-tac. No, you do not win. You do not win anything. You don't win anything. Okay, you don't win. You are not a winner. You are not a winner, I say. You are not a winner. Alright, bro? You are not a winner. Anyway, let me... I win your first... No, you do not. You do not win anything. The only thing you win is nothing. You don't win anything. You do not win anything. Okay, let me just try spawning this. Oh, wait a second. There is a possibility that I spawn by the edge. Wait, this... Actually, I think this works. I think this works. I think the reason why I spawned by the edge before is because the world is limited. Okay, I think I get it. I think I get why I spawned by the edge before. Yeah, okay. I spawned by the edge because okay. You should probably have a cons for the width and height of the world. So you have to change every 10 if you want to change the size of the world. Cons for the width and height of the grid. You mean 8? Because the width and height of the grid is 8. 8 per tile. I can remember that's 8. I can remember that's 8. I also exported the number of chunks in the world. That way I can change if I want to. I do. Yeah, that's why I did Bubba Boost. I'm assuming that's what you're talking about. I'm assuming you're talking about the number of chunks in the world. I did export the value, and I set it as world X and world Y. I did do that. So yes, I did follow your advice technically. Technically, I did follow your advice. Then a hand in Yasil wants to marry me. What? Wait. Yasil, is that a proposal I am hearing? Yasil. You're asking for a proposal. Okay, the load chunk. Oh wait, is it? Okay, no, that's not. It's not 10. It's less. Basically, it's from 0 up to the world size. It's the world size minus 1. The world size minus 1 is the maximum of what it can be, because an array, it starts from 0. So yeah, but I get your concern though, Bubba Boo. It's not good to this is a chunk size. A chunk size will always be 10 tiles. I will never change chunk size. I will change. Oh no, this is for chunk. This is for a chunk size. This is for chunk size. For the chunk size, I intend to keep that consistent. I intend to keep the chunk size to be consistent. For the world, I will change the size. I can change the world. But for chunk, will always be 10 tiles by 10 tiles. I do appreciate the advice. Don't get me wrong, I do appreciate the advice. But yeah, I do have that covered. I do have that covered. Yeah, that makes sense, yeah. This is, listen, I get your confusion as well. Even I'm getting confused by my own code. There is so much shit going on. Even I'm getting confused by my code. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try deloading and reloading. Try deloading and reloading. Let's see if my deload and reload works here. Did that? Oh, okay. Okay, there was a noticeable lag when I... There is a noticeable lag whenever I move to a new chunk. There is a okay, that just crashed. Why did that crash? What? That just crashed. Okay. Why did that crash? Why did you crash? Why did that crash? Huh? Why did that crash? So let's say -2. I don't know why that crashed, man. Oh dear lord. Player chunk -2 is less than world X. Deload. What if I don't do deload? Will that make the chunks... Will that reduce the lag? I don't know if that will reduce the lag or not. Let me see here. Because I'm lagging every single time I move to a new chunk. Oh shit. That's why I'm getting lag. I see where the lag is coming from all of a sudden. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the problem here. Let me show you guys the problem. Yeah, I don't think it's deleting it's supposed to delete. I don't think my deload function works properly. I think I see the issue. That just crashed outright. That just crashed. Why the hell did that seriously just crash? Why is it saying that it is less than 10? I'm saying access an array of 10. I'm not accessing anything. It's 10. Why? Oh, this is -2. Fuck, I'm an idiot. I didn't change that to 2. There we go. That's what I need to do. Okay, why am I still getting an error? Oh, I need plus here. Okay, there we go. That should fix it. Sometimes I get the errors for the most random of things. Okay. I think my Q-free ability is not going well. I don't think that this is working properly. I'm trying to delete the node and all its children, but that's not working properly. So I think my logic is correct, but I am not deleting the nodes correctly though. Okay, okay, see that? It's cloning like the trees. Everything gets duplicated. Instead of deleting, it's not getting deleted for some reason. For some reason, it's not getting deleted. Oh wait, you guys can't see. Fuck, I forgot. You guys can't see that. Oh, there it is. You guys can see it all of a sudden. Okay, basically every time I move to a new chunk, everything gets cloned. Everything gets cloned, even though it's supposed to be deleted. I think it has to do with the fact that I use Q-free function. Also, you see, I just can't help it, bro. I can't help it. It's just what I do, okay? It's just what I do. Yeah, everything gets doubled. Everything gets cloned. Why am I also at the edge rate? Oh, because it's 0. I see. Okay. Yeah, everything gets doubled. Literally, everything gets doubled every time I move to a new chunk. That is not good, obviously. How do I delete all of something's children? Okay. This is not good. How do I delete something? It's all of its children. Godot. Wait. Godot? Delete node recursively. Okay, I'm gonna delete all of its nodes and its, I understand they're trying to make the game functional and all that dumb stuff, but when will you be adding the milk? When the game is functional. Once the game is functional, queue free should work. Okay, so basically what I did was I created a node. And then I put all the tiles into that node. Basically, I want to delete the entire chunk at once. But I think because I create a node, it's not deleting the tiles. I don't think the children are being deleted. I can already feel the fatigue. I will feel in 16 hours. So that I tip you farewell. May we meet again. Thank you, HMaxDan. I thank you for joining. I hope to see you again, bro. Have a good rest. Yasil, there's cheese. That slime is aging. Check if it goes into the function that deletes a chunk. Print it out and see if it works. It does go into here. I know it goes into here. It's just not okay, let me check. Print, queue free. Print, skibbity. Okay. If it says skibbity, then I know it will work. Oh, and good luck on your bug. Thank you. I'll need it. I'll need the good luck, bro. I'll need the good luck. Does it say... Wait, does it not? Doesn't go into skibbity? Wait, what? I did not see it say skibbity. Oh, wait, what the fuck? Why is it printing? Oh, okay, that might be why. Let me remove the print statements from this. That might be the reason why I didn't see the skibbity, because it was sending 1,000,000 messages per second. Oh, what? Skibbity is not being run? Oh my god. Oh my god. Deload world. Deload world. Okay, deload world. I don't know why it didn't run. What? Deload chunk. World chunk if is loaded equals true. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I think I forgot to set is loaded to true. Wait, fuck. Oh. That makes a lot of sense now. That makes a lot of sense. Load chunk. Chunker dot is loaded equals true. That would explain a lot. That would explain a lot, actually. Actually, that would explain a lot. Oh, fuck. Now everything got deleted. Wait, let me show you guys what happened. Okay, every time I fix a bug, a new bug gets introduced. And in this bug, I like deleted the world. Watch as I delete the world in a couple seconds. Wow, I deleted the world. I deleted the world, guys. I deleted the world. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what happened. Don't know why that's not working, but alright. Skibbity. Reload world, okay. Let me every time it reloads world, I'm just gonna run load chunk. I'm gonna run print toilet. Are you Thanos? Wait, I'm purple, so I actually might be Thanos. Wait, I am purple. I legitimately might be Thanos. Why do I only run toilet 3 times? What? I run Skibbity 9 times, but for some reason toilet only gets run 3 times, even though it should run 9 times. It should be running 9 times for some reason. Reload world. Let me see. Reload world. Where is reload world here? Where is reload world? Where the fuck did reload world go? Why did it disappear? Okay, for 3 and 3. Oh, wait. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Chunk dot set dot is loaded equals false. Bro, why do I keep forgetting to set is loaded? Bro, I swear to god, I am fatigued. I blame this on my fatigue. Okay? Okay, it still didn't work. It still didn't work. Oh, wait. Okay, it still didn't work, okay? It still didn't work, okay? Let me try this again. Is this what debugging in 2020? Listen, I think I'm a special case. To be fair, I think I am a special case. I think I'm a bit of a special case because, chunk.is loaded. Gotta go. Night, guys. Have a good... I might end the stream soon as well because I'm starting to get pooped. This has been a 3-hour stream. I think I might be able to easier bug fix when I'm not so tired, you know? Okay, toilet is run... Okay, let me show you guys the current issue. Basically, now, whenever I run it 9 times, but for some reason, the world actually isn't being spawned anymore. Is it because I call Q free, it completely disappears? Also, if I what? Have a good night, by the way, Mr. Zach. Basically, let me show you what happens. It's same as earlier. The world gets deleted, and then that's just it. Why? I don't get it. I'ma head out. All right. Good night, Remni. Good night. I'm probably gonna head out too. If I can't solve this within the next 5 minutes, I'm probably gonna head out as well. Literally, all I need to do is get this chunking system working, and everything would be good. Bye. Eats drywall. Have a good night, Remni. Thank you for joining. You guys, I always appreciate you guys joining. Okay. Come on. Why? Okay, I think it's because I call Q free, I think. Q free, for some reason, just completely deletes it from my, function, from my thing. When I call Q3, I can't spawn it back for some reason. Let me print chunker. What does this give me? Chunker.position. Let me get chunker.pause, maybe. Chunker.pause. Maybe this will do something. Chunker.pause. I'm gonna get rid of toilet for now. Actually, I'm gonna put toilet there. If you add a chunk to a child, it goes to child, does it not? I don't know what that means. Skibbity. Why did I only call Skibbity 4 times? Oh, probably because I was on the edge. So 8, 7, 9. Why didn't it spawn anything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it had the thing. Why did it not spawn? When you queue for, yeah, I want it to kill all the children too. I want the children dead, you know. I want it to kill the parent and the children. For some reason, it only instantiates the first time, but the second time that I call it, it doesn't do anything. I don't know. Why does it not get instantiated? It should be instantiated. Let me try this. Is chunk loaded? Let me just get rid of is chunk loaded. Let me get... Oh, wait a fucking god. Wait a fucking... Actually, no, never mind. I keep having these moments of eureka, like, and then I'm like, no. I'm like, no. That's not the problem. I was like, no. That's almost as bad as what happened in. I don't even know what that's referencing, man. Uh, ground node.instantiate. Are you deleting their pair? I'm deleting the chunk. You know, I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna figure this out. Eventually, you know, I don't know when I'm gonna figure it out, but you know, hopefully I will. Let me try this again. I'm gonna keep trying. I might not fix this by today, honestly. I'm gonna be real. I might not be fixing this by today. I might not fix this by today, but I'm gonna try to. Eventually, you know. What the hell? For some reason, everything became what? Where are these bugs coming from? Why is the world gray over? What? Huh? I didn't even change anything with the color. Oh, that's the problem. I put a dub. Okay, I see the issue. I found the issue. Okay, that's because I accidentally put a W inside. I was. Game development, huh, guys? Game development. Game development, huh? Am I right, guys? Game development. Game development. Game development. Am I right, guys? Okay. Why is it not running? I don't get it. I don't get it. It can still access it. For some reason, the chunk isn't being loaded. Why? I call queue free here. Queue free is loaded equals false. And this runs. This runs, basically, is loaded, and then this gets the world spawned. I don't see the issue here. I legitimately do not see the issue. It should be spawning. Print. Create tile. It should be creating the tile. I don't see why it's not. Yeah, it's creating the tile. It apparently claims to be creating the tile, but for some reason it's not. Print chunker. Chunker. Okay, let me put print chunker in here, actually. I don't know. I think I might end the stream soon. I'll see. I'll see if I end the stream soon. I feel like every time I take one step forward, it seems like I take 10 steps back. I take one step forward, I take 10 steps back. I take one step forward, I take 10 steps back for some reason. I don't even know what the issue with this is. Like, I don't even know where to start. What is the issue? It should be. It should be. Okay, wait. Position? Why is it not creating the tile? Tiles equals get. Do I not have tiles? Get tiles. For 10 and 10, it instantiates the node chunk.getPosition times 80. Not everything broke. It's just that when I go to a new chunk, the thing just deletes itself for some reason. It just fucking deletes itself. I don't know why. Why does it delete itself? I don't know. It just does. It just deletes itself. Don't know why the fuck it deletes itself, but it just does. That's why I'm trying to figure out why it deletes itself. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out right now, and I don't know why, so I'm trying to figure that out. Like, theoretically, It should reload the world. Reload works fine. It's there. Reload world. Reload world. Reload world is what I use to like actually spot. And someone's calling me. I'm back. You can see your tree in real time. Can you? Can you see your tree in real time? That would actually be helpful. Can you? Local. Remote. How do I see my tree? How do I see my tree in real time? How do I do that? How do I see my tree in real time? Godot. See tree in real time. Real time scene. Local root. Local. What do you mean root? Is it? Is this it? World gen. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, what is this? Node. So I'm in my world right now. What is that? What is this? This is a chunk. Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense why that's a chunk. Why is there only 5 though? There should be more. Unless I'm okay, where am I? What's my position right now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 6. Why is there 6 only? Okay, because I'm on the edge. I'm at the edge, that's why. So what happens when I delete? What happens when I move to a new chunk? I'm gonna move to a new chunk and I'm gonna see what happens. Okay, that goes away. Why does it create a new chunk though? Why does a new chunk not get instantiated? My theory is that when you're adding your chunks to a parent, but when you are doing queue free, you're kill. What do you mean? I don't think you understand. I don't think you get my code. I think you're misunderstanding my code. Where what I'm doing. So, I think you're misinterpreting my code or something. Okay, so I cleared that, but for some reason it didn't add a new Honestly, if I do just add child without chunker, I think it works. If I do without chunker, I think it works. If I do without chunker, is it maybe that like when I delete a chunk, I can't re-add it? Maybe. Godot, if I queue free. Can I instantiate again? Uh. Huh. I think because I did queue free, the instance is gone. So I need to instantiate it again, I think. I need to instantiate it again. Where is my instantiation? Okay. Chunk. I need to instantiate it again, I think. I think I need to instantiate it again. That's the problem, I think. So I'm gonna deload it. But then I need to instantiate it again. New chunk. I need to instantiate it again. Chunk.instantiate. You can check if the whole map is being deleted in the remote. Yeah, that's why I saw. The thing it's being deleted, like it's being correct, but I can't reinstantiate it. I think the problem is because I queue free it, and I use the instance Wait, actually. Wait. Oh, wait. Let me try something. Let me try something. So I set Chunker to this world. And then I add Chunker as a child. That is the chunk, basically. Does that affect the original? Oh, wait. Okay. I'm gonna try something real quick. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove this real quick. I might give up soon and end the stream. I might continue this tomorrow. By the way. Because I literally spent 3 hours today trying to figure out this one thing. And I fixed a lot of bugs, but there are also still more bugs. So Chunker. What is Chunker? Print Chunker. What does it what does it show me when I ask? Wait, has it been 4 hours? Really? Has it been 4 hours? Oh yeah, it's probably been 4 hours, yeah. Chunk node ID. Yeah, Chunker is being So this is the original things that got spawned. Originally spawned 6. And this only spawns 3. Only has 3 nodes. What if I do print? What if I print this? Is that gone? Wait, let me try this. Try this without Chunker, maybe. Try this one more time. If this doesn't work, I think I might end the stream. God damn, I feel so close too, man. I feel so close. Print. Let me just print this. Oh, whoops. Chunker. Let me see this. And now that didn't even work. Fantastic. Can't use this print statement like this. Okay. Node 3D. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end it here. Yeah. Guys, thank you guys for joining. I'm probably gonna end it here, though. I'll hopefully figure this out next time. I feel like I'm very close. I'm very, very close. But yeah, I am gonna end the stream now. It has been like 4 hours. I think it's been a little bit less than 4 hours. I think it's been 3 hours and 36 minutes, I think. Around 3 hours. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. Yeah. A lot of bug fixing today. So much bug fixing. Literally, this entire stream is all bug fixing. Literally didn't add anything to this game so far. No new, like, creatures. No new models. Just bug fixing. It's been 4 hours minus 8. Like I said, that's not 4 hours. That's less than 4 hours. But yeah, thank you, Yasil, for joining and everyone else. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm going to end the stream. Thank you guys all for being here. I'll probably stream tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully. Unless I get hit by a car and die. I'm going to try to stream tomorrow. Bye-bye, everybody. You still owe me your firstborn or a hand, bro. Yasil is proposing to me. Why are you proposing to me? Is that proposal? Is this a confession? Because if so,